camera looking fire this morning. What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Trader Shop with me, T. Hobbs. And of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals in the building. What's going on, brother? Oh, God.
What's going on, everybody?
Oh, my God. You know, the first day back on camera, and Justin already annoying me. So, first of all, glad to be back. To be able to sit down is an absolute blessing. So let me just get that out of the way. My health is doing a lot better. So thank you guys so much for your prayers. Thank you so much for reaching out and making sure I was good, all that good stuff. But we're not here to talk about my health. We're here to talk about these markets. So first and foremost, thank you so much for tuning in to the Trader Shop. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. Also, if you want to help support the channel, link to Apex code is down below. Justin's code is in all of the videos on YouTube. All right, now that we got the advertisement stuff out of the way, let's jump right into these pre-market plans because it's Tuesday, man. 1 day away from Mr. Jerome Powell. So what does the market like to do? Every time they even mention the boogeyman, they sell everything. Sell, 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 sell. This week is no different. Last week was no different. We've been getting horrible inflation data. I mean, when I say horrible, like inflation is going back up. I think Tokyo is about to raise interest rates for like the first time in history. So it ain't looking good out there. I'm just saying. But does the banks really care? Like, they don't care. Inflation doesn't hurt them. It hurts us. So it is what it is. That being said, let's jump right into these pre-market plans. Justin has ES, because I think he's going to be trading ES today, and then I got NQ right behind him. So, Jay, take it away, brother.
Yeah, so I don't have much of a bearish plan on the day, just because where we're at. I don't have a lot of supply. I don't have a lot of resistance. So I'm looking to be more of a bull on the day, but also remembering that tomorrow's FOMC, so today could be a slower of a day, but it might not be. So I don't know. My expectations are tempered, so that way. But what I'm looking for is this 90-minute demand zone here at 518,150 to hold. And if that doesn't hold, then it's going to be very, very key for the market to hold 51.6425, because this is where we put in the low and then the higher low, which caused this rally right here. But this rally never broke this high. So, yeah, this low is in danger of being broken, and then potentially the low below it. So, we are somewhat in like another mini little uptrend, I guess, if you want to call this. I mean, obviously this high didn't cause anything, but we were able to get above this structure, but supply ended up knocking us back down. So it's going to be really interesting today. I would much rather be bullish than bearish just because of where we're at on the chart. But I will be trying to find ways to be bearish if the opportunity presents itself on the day. It's going to be more one of those things where it's going to have to develop during the day, more so than me just having a level that I'm looking to play short off of currently. So that's what my plan is.
All right, sweet, man. Appreciate you. And then, I was clicking it. All right. And then for me, kind of a little bit different, just because of how aggressive we sold off. We did create supply over on NQ. So I'll break down kind of my macro area where we are. So it says more aggressive price action in the overnight session. That's me being a little butthurt that I didn't wake up for London. But it resulted in the bears taking back over the macro consolidation we are in. Today, they appear ready to take out some structural lows on the 4-hour time frame. So it's kind of like the same thing Jay's talking about, like this low right here at 18,006. If we break through this low today, then I'm anticipating the market potentially taking out 17,960, which is a 45-minute demand. And once we break through there, then it's going to be a straight drop to 775. Now, that's to the bearish side. So the reason why I say we appear to be right back into the bears continue to taking back over the consolidation that we're in, is because if you pull all the way out to the daily time frame, you can see that we swept the high, we swept the low, and now we're consolidating at the low, right? So the bulls try to push back above the sweep, but they failed. Instead, they ended up putting in another lower high and another lower high. Therefore, I'm anticipating at some point a lower low being put in, right? And the Bulls can defend. They're in an area where they should be able to defend. And yeah, so let me break down what my areas of interest are today. So first and foremost, I have a 1 hour supply zone. Sorry, I'm trying to grab this thing. All right, I got a 1 hour supply zone. So I'm looking to short weak rallies into 1 hour supply at 18,167.50 through 18,200. Last night, 18,207, the previous day low, during Tokyo, acted as resistance multiple times, right? And then we ended up sweeping through that, but still failed, tapped into settlement, and then dropped, right? Therefore, now I'm looking at us not coming back up to test 200 again. We've already been up here like 3-4 times and failed. So I don't see the market finding buyers above that level. So basically, I'm looking for price to stay below previous day low. And if we're going to stay below previous day low, I'm definitely anticipating price trading lower, right? So my target for that short would be right where we are right now, the 4 hour demand at 18,106.75 through 18,048. And then the opposite is true on the 4 hour. So I'm looking right where we bounced already. Looks like I might have missed that trade already. I was taking the kids. Don't even get me started on Kansas's weather today, but looking for buyers to defend 4 hour demand at 18,106.75 through 18,047. And we can look to long the market targeting 1 hour supply, basically where we're at up above. And then if we break through all of this, the next area that I would be looking for longs is 17,959. I think it's 60, but whatever. Through 17,928, that's a 45-minute demand. And then I'll be looking to target this previous demand, or maybe this little resistance area right here. So I think initially the market will look bullish, but if we can't get back above this head of the head and shoulders here, I'm definitely looking to short this market back down. So those are my thoughts on the day. I hope that helps you out. And let's jump over here and take a look at the VIX actually while I'm over here. Yeah, see, the VIX is just kind of trading sideways as well. It's looking like it might put in a bear flag. It's basically the opposite of what we were just looking at. If the VIX is looking to put in a bear flag, then you anticipate price pushing back up, which it looks like we're about to push back up to supply as the VIX pushes back down into demand. So that makes sense. And then dropping over here to the stocks. Let's see. Drop over here. Oh, yeah, the stocks are looking extremely bullish this morning. Google, again, taking off to start the day. Microsoft kind of trading down, but could be in a falling wedge pattern. NVIDIA literally tore through a demand zone this morning. So that's probably was contributing to NQ trading down as well. Let me take this off of here. And then Meta's cooling off after a ridiculous rally yesterday, putting that nice head and shoulders as well. So yeah, watching all of these stocks kind of come into supply or not being able to break above significant structure is something that I'm definitely going to be keeping my eye on as well. Damn, ES.
Yeah, yes.
My bad. Ripped. You mean it dunked? I'm looking at. I'm looking at where it is right now.
Oh, I just mean it ripped from where. I mean, we ripped like 10 points pretty quickly. A matter of like 30 minutes. That's a little shocking for ES in the overnight. But then again, we did dump like 20.
Yeah,
like
I was like,
say
we ripped back up to basically 50%, and now we're rejecting that joint. Yeah, I think we're about to come back down on ES because now I was saying how it cooked the demand zone that I had right there. Where did I get this level from? This level is something. I think this is the 50%. Yeah, okay. So ES. Oh, okay. So we broke that 50% of this 1 hour high and low. We broke it, and then we came back up to retest it, and now we're failing at it again at 5,200. Interesting. All right, so let's see here. Good morning, John. Good morning, Boyd. Good morning to all 56 people watching between Twitter and YouTube. If you're on Twitter or X, please make sure you stop by the Trader Shop and subscribe to the channel, man. We're really close to hitting 1,000 subs today. We're about 13 people away, I think, on the channel from reaching 1,000. So if you're on X and you have not subbed, please stop what you're doing. Jump over to the YouTube channel, subscribe, and you go right back and watch us on X. It's all good. I think we're going to be in a range again. We'll see. I mean, we're basically in a range on the daily anyway. Right? We're consolidating at the low. And after all of that aggressive action we got on NQ last night, like, yeah, it wouldn't surprise me at all if we set in a range all day. So
I don't think yesterday we weren't really in a range though. I mean, we sold off. We just didn't do it very aggressively. We just were moving down. So
yeah, you're right. I don't know. Yeah, what are you talking about, man? We went in no range yesterday. What are you talking about? I just thought about like, what are you talking about? We went in no range yesterday.
We definitely weren't in a range yesterday. We definitely sold off.
Yeah, what are you talking about, John? What are you talking about, John? You got me over here agreeing with you. I'm out here like, yeah, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, we'd probably be in a range too. What? We went in no range yesterday. We went up and we went down. That's it.
Yeah.
We went down slow, but we went up and then we went down.
It definitely chose a direction. This might not have been the direction you wanted it to choose.
Yeah.
But we
were talking. Justin and I had appointments all day, and I called him when I was done with my last appointment. I said, "Hey, Mark's safe for blowing an account today." He said, "Right?" I said, "I can smell the blown accounts because the market did some real slick stuff yesterday." So if you're one of those people, yeah, yesterday was clean price action, but again, reversal traders get smoked. Right? Like they get smoked in this, right? And I'm a reversal trader, but I'm getting better at not getting smoked in this because I'm not starting to understand. I'm trading the right side of the chart as opposed to trading the left side of the chart, right? Because a reversal trader by nature, we see all of this buying coming in. You know what we want to do? We want to wait for an area down here, right? To long it back up because we're anticipating price going back up, right? So what did the market do? 1245, it put in a doji candle, went back up. If you were getting greedy, this was a perfect long, but if you got greedy and you were looking for the break of the high, woo-wee. And the price action wasn't this clean right here. I can guarantee you that, right? What was that?
Is that Valdez the rapper in the building? I don't know.
Oh, okay. No, but yeah, I mean, the price action was clean overall, in my opinion. But if you were trying to trade, basically trying to long the market from the left side instead of focusing what was going on the right, you were getting smoked today or yesterday. Yesterday was barbecue chicken, as Shaq would say. Straight up barbecue chicken.
Yeah, I definitely. Yeah, I mean, I definitely was looking to short the market all day yesterday. But like you said, I had to go, so it was kind of hard to want to like trade and not be able to manage the trade. But if you got short at the right time, you could have just stayed short all day and just never done anything. Actually, if you got short at the right time, you can still be short today and still be just fine. So
Facts.
to say that the market was range bound, the market definitely did not range. But it's all good though. It's all good though.
Leave that man alone. You said it like 5 times already. You see he coming for your head, John?
I'm not coming for your head. I'm not coming for your neck.
What's going on, Cordy?
Pause.
Said, what's up, guys? Good to see you healthy, T-Hobbs. Yeah, man, I'm getting better, man. Still in physical therapy, still kind of working things out, but I'm good enough to sit here and not be uncomfortable. So boy says, as Stoic said, I got clapped so many times by the market, I don't want to get clapped again. Yeah, it's like, when you it's the same thing with me, right? I used to trade the left side of the chart, right? Like I still do to an extent, right? And I don't necessarily trade it. I have areas of interest on the left side of the chart on higher time frames. And I think that's okay. But when you're looking on the 1 minute and you're trying to basically short, like I want to short the market. And I have an area where I'm interested in shorting the market, but I'm not going to short the market without confirmation when we get up there, And a lot of people, they'd be like, "Oh, we hit my area. We had demand right here. We're going to go up." They buy the market. And then, yeah, if you were buying the market yesterday, it was good scalping. I mean, honestly, it was good trades, whether you were buying or selling. Your targets just had to be on point. That's all. I think yesterday's price action, in my opinion, was pretty good, but I could definitely see how I used to trade being an issue. Being an issue with yesterday's price action for sure.
I mean, every rally failed, so
Yeah,
like you said,
basically.
you could definitely trade it to the long side, but I guess the biggest thing is whether you're trading whichever side you're trading, long or short. You just gotta understand how many points you can get, and then go below that. So if you think you can get 30 points, go to 20. If you think you can get 50 points, go to 40. You know what I'm saying? Or at least start thinking about like ratcheting up your stop as you get closer and closer. Because I don't know what it is about my trade specifically, but like anytime I put a target in, I swear the market loves to go almost to my target, and then it likes to reverse and go back down. It's like you couldn't just go another 2 or 3 points. Like you couldn't just move a little bit longer, and then only for it either to like come back down and then come up and hit my target, or it just never hits my target and I get out for a little bit less than what I wanted to. But yeah,
well, the thing is about your target and everybody else's target is they're most likely targeting structure, right? The market's been in inception since the 1700s. It knows where you want to get out, right? Like it's not necessarily knows where you want to get out, but think about like all of the other buyers that came in before you or sellers that came in before you. They're going to start exiting their position before they get to that structure because they know most people are probably targeting structure. Therefore, that's where the selling is going to start. So on your targets, good morning. Hello, buyers. All right, buyers. I love to see all this aggressive buying in come in so I can short the bejesus out of it. But yeah, like you say what now? Yeah, they in the building. Boy, yeah. I want to see him get over that previous day low. That's what I want to see. I want to see anybody try to get above settlement price just one more time. Just try. The last person that tried during the London session got smoked. It's like, how dare you buy above 230? I will freaking sell all of this stuff to you. So today I'm watching. I basically don't expect. My expectations of the market is that the market won't get back above 200. That's my expectation. So anything beyond that, I would be surprised. So we'll see.
Selling off a little bit.
Hey, now that we got Pip in the building, I got a question for you, Pip. Did you put this trade on and go to sleep and just set your stop, or were you watching this trade?
There's no way.
Okay, good. Because
there's no way.
We looked at your trade. He's like, there's no way he set through this drawdown. I mean, it wasn't even drawdown. It was just the being up and then down, not up but basically almost break even. I was like, no way he set through this entire trade. No way. So, yeah. Because I was in the same trade, but I was in 4 minis. But I think I got 165 was my entry. 165 was my entry, and you got in a little lower, but I got out at the high because I was actively watching the trade. So when I went back and saw your picture, I was like, ain't no way he held through this. I said, I wanted that target too. Because my target was settlement. My target was 233. And I knew we were going to get there, but I knew we were going to play games. So I was like, I'm not letting this go all the way back down and then getting back in. I said, I'm going to make this little $2,300. I'm going to go to bed. Well, I didn't really go to bed. I was sitting here just watching Tokyo consolidate. And I'm just like, I'm trying to wait up for London. And I kept debating in my head, do I want to go to sleep and then wake up for London, or do I just want to watch? I was like, I'm going to watch. Man, the end of the Tokyo session is like watching paint dry, bro. My wife came in here. She was like, she said, you gonna come to bed? I was like, you know what? Yeah, let me just get up and go to bed. So I think what I'm going to do next time is I'm not going to fade Tokyo per se, but I'm going to trade Tokyo early, kind of like how you do, trade it early on with smaller size so I can hold and then try to go to sleep and wake up for the London sweep of Tokyo. That's all we've been doing the last couple of days. We're basically trading down or trading up, and then we're sweeping the previous session before we trade back down lower. So divorce the bias, seek the truth. Yes, sir. And you're talking 9:30 on the East Coast, right? Okay. Okay. So when you got in at 9:30, I didn't get in because of time. But as soon as I got in, I looked at the time and I was like, motherfucker, God, this can't keep happening. You know how you enter a trade and you like, yeah, I saw this. I saw the lower high. I saw the higher low being put in. I saw buyers coming in on the tape. Then I looked at the time. I said, son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. But again, it's just a testament to it all works, right? But if you have a certain time, right, I feel like you can fade the rest of this ish and come to the charts, right? And I had an alert. I think at 160 to let me know we were crossing down to my potential level. No, it was 170. 172 was my alert because my area of interest was 164. So we swept 164 and we put that higher low in. And I was like, I'm long 160. I think it was 165. I got long. So I basically got long right at the area of where I was figuring out where I thought price was going to come to. I think it was a 1 hour demand right here earlier that we tapped. And if it wasn't for this stupid sell-off, I would have held through this crap. But this thing, it was looking so weak at the previous day low. I was like, man, we tapped 200 one more time. I'm going to go and get up out of here.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I didn't really need any more. Like after that, I was just watching price and really trying to figure out like what the times were for reversals during the Tokyo session. And I was just kind of I honestly was just like trying to study the time aspect of the Tokyo session. Like I know 9:30 starts the reversal, but then we got another reversal at 11:40. So is that factored into your time as well? And then there was another one at 11:50. Like I don't know. We're gonna have to sit down and talk offline. And I definitely want to pick your brain. Yeah, we'll sit down and talk. I was gonna call you tonight anyway. And talk to you about time because again, everything that already fits what I'm doing anyway and just puts me in more precise areas. I'm definitely interested in picking your brain about it. So we'll definitely chop it up. No, I already ain't that funny, Pip? Pip, ain't that funny? It's funny you asked that, Valdez, because No. I'm already 10 steps ahead of y'all, man. Me and Pip already 10 steps ahead. I talked to him last weekend and I asked him, would he mind putting basically doing a video for the Discord, dropping down his knowledge on time. I already got it set up, got the title set, Pippi Presents Time. I already sent it to him. Like, whenever you're ready, bro. He's like, bet. Let me mark out some time. So don't even trip. We got y'all. Exactly. And I want you to take your time. Yeah, I want you to take your time, bro. Like, whenever you let me know.
Ooh, this market taking off.
Yeah, no doubt. Yeah, we're pretty bullish heading into the supply zone. I'm trying to get to this other question about BTC. Let me look over here. I mean, BTC follows the market, right? Oh shit, we down to 63,000. Yay! Yay!
Remember that paper trade long you took on BTC?
My target was the high though. My target was but I mean, again,
I thought you were about to try to let that thing ride out.
I was going to ride it to 100K, but my first target was all-time highs. And we swept all-time highs. I would have got out on this double top and retest on the daily. But yeah, because I could have got in and then just reversed my position. All right, so let's see here. But yeah, no, I was gonna hold it for 100K, but I don't know if I could have held through this aggressive sweep. All right, so while we got a little time, market open yet? We got 5 minutes.
We got 5
Go
minutes.
Crazy ENT is in the building. He says, I got a question. what's going on with this BTC dump. Look, man, everything follows structure. So let's just go through structure and see what we got, right? So if you're a student of structure, you probably aren't surprised to see that after this aggressive rally and a double top at the all-time high, and then this right here, this was your key right here. Hold on, let me get my little ink pad. This was your key right here, right? Once you saw this happen, it was time to start either preparing for a dump or, hey, just saying, you know what, let me take a little bit of profit. Because basically all we did was we put in a high, and now we're coming back on the daily to retest the low that brought the high, right? If buyers fail to get price up, which they can, remember, this is FOMC week for every instrument, not just NQ, ES, and the market, right? Every person that has a lot of bread, right? Institutions that have a lot of money, they're going to protect their bread, right? And when they smell uncertainty, whether it be in crypto, futures, stocks, whatever, it doesn't matter. They're going to remove their liquidity because they're smart. They're not removing it and taking profits. What they're doing is they're taking it out and they're putting it in safer assets. BTC and ETH, although it's at 60, 70,000, it's still a very volatile and risk-on asset. So if you notice, when the market starts to sell off, you see commodities start to go up. Notice how oil is at 82, almost $83, while NQ and ES and crypto are all falling. It's because it's a rotation of the market. So the money's not leaving, it's just being rotated, right? So the quote unquote weak hands, paper hands, right, that unfortunately probably started buying at like 70,000, then they're feeling a little bit of pain right now, right? A lot of bit of pain. But that's why I enjoy trading and not really investing in crypto right now, just because I feel like it's still not as stable as I would like it to be. And I wasn't in early enough to say, all right, I'm going to hold on to this BTC. I got in at 20,000, 10,000, you know what I mean? So I hope that helps you kind of understand what's actually happening with the charts. Yeah, oil going crazy. Oil going crazy. But it's to be expected. If you go look at the commodity sector in general, I bet you it's up right now. I bet you it's up. I don't even got to look at it. I thought we was going to ride to 95. Yeah, that's what most people in crypto think it's just a straight ride, but nothing goes up in a straight line. No matter how fast and volatile crypto goes up, it's just as volatile coming back down, right? But if you understand structure and you got in at a decent price, which you should have if you understood structure, right? If you got in at a decent price, then you're not really tripping right now. But if you didn't understand structure, you just understood this influencer or that influencer telling you to just keep buying, right? Then yeah, you're probably in a little bit of pain right now, right? So oil yeeting, yeah. I thought we would bounce on BTC, honestly, because I think we still might bounce again. Let's just get through tomorrow. If we get through tomorrow and we have a bloodbath day tomorrow, let's see how we end the week, right? That's how I'm looking at this week, because we've seen this movie before, right? The market repeats itself. Do yourself a favor, go on BTC, and I haven't even looked at the chart, but go on BTC and look back to like February 12th, right? The 2 weeks of February 12th. Just like the real market, BTC probably sold off because guess what? It was the same news week. It was CPI, PPI, FOMC, all the same stuff. The market doesn't like uncertainty. So Tokyo did not give us warm and fuzzies last night. You guys don't know, Tokyo did not get good news on their numbers, and I think they're raising interest rates. So if Tokyo started to raise interest rates, I don't think Tokyo's raised interest rates in like 20 years, like 2 decades. So that's not a good sign for us in the rest of the world. All right, market's open, people. Let's get it. Long get open, baby. Let's go. I'm just kidding. I'm totally joking. Totally joking.
It might not be a joke with how we came up here. We're gonna continue to be bullish.
In the middle of my supply and demand. Nah, I'm more so looking to be bearish. But we'll see.
Touch the long. Touch it.
Whoa.
Touch it.
You touched the long.
Touch it.
Not touching anything. Not touching anything.
Touch the long.
Pause. You need to just stop it. Somebody stop this guy.
Toucher.
Oh, we got Emmett in the building. What's up, Emmett? What's up, J-Hawk, David, Bud? What?
Pause.
Yeah, touch the long. You kept saying it like 80 times. Pause.
Touch the long.
Not much time, but I'll try to be listening in. All right, Bud. No big deal. No big deal.
Oh, time to be patient. Time to be patient. No pauses, Void. Only go. We don't pause around here. We only go long.
Why you got to start this weird stuff when I get on camera?
Because why not? Why not? Why not? Okay, now we're selling.
Still going long, Justin?
I wasn't gonna touch the market regardless. I didn't care whether we pumped or dumped.
I said, man, the way we came up here, ain't no way I'm touching lows up here. Ain't no way.
Actually, so we're putting in. Oh well, I thought we're putting in a lower high. I thought we were about to put in a double top here. Actually, but
jeez, look at this thing.
Oh wait, dang, bro, the tape to the upside on ES is filled with orders, but to the downside to orders, but to the upside it's clear. They're like, yeah, you shall not pass.
Wait,
here we go.
I don't understand what you just said.
There was a whole bunch of limit orders, but there was no
to the buy side liquidity, you mean?
No. Okay, there was a lot of sell side liquidity and no buy side liquidity.
Okay, because I was so confused on what you said. I was like,
yeah, 30 points long done. See, I told you, boy. Over here saying pause. 30 points long done. Yeet. Exactly.
He said yeet. It don't take long, boy. It don't take long, bruh. It don't take long. Doom. Yeah, all we did was come back right into that 50% and go. Yeah. Tap right back into that 4 hours demand zone too. But we broke structure here. Let's see what we do. I want us to come up a little higher before I'm interested in shorts.
Yeah, there's a lot of sell volume at open. See if they trap those sellers or.
Well, structurally, we just tap back into this area right here is just 50% of this previous high and low.
15-minute zone tap and respect. Yeah, you got a 15-minute there.
What's up, Joe?
Yeah, I'm gonna let buyers kind of do their thing and sellers kind of do their thing.
There you go.
Yeah, we got some fresh prints coming in.
Yeah, we tap that previous high and low at the high was at 8:39 Eastern and the low was at 8:46. We tapped right back into that 50%, found buyers and took the F off. Now we're coming back up to the high to double top. Let's see what we do here. What to cancel? Oh, you don't want it no more? You don't want it no more? He like, not on that double top, no sir. You don't want it no more? You're not interested?
Order canceled.
He said, no, I don't want that trade no more. Not after what I'm seeing. That scalp was beautiful off that 50%.
Yeah, I'm
gonna let it play out. I'm gonna be patient and see what's gonna happen here. I like everything that I'm seeing. Nothing that's happening is nothing that I didn't see coming, so that's good. Yeah.
Oh, is today gonna be one of them days? Just one of them days.
What day is it, man? It's 1 week, 2 minutes into the market. What 5 minutes into the market? What do you think today is going to be already?
I don't know.
Yeah, what could you possibly have deduced from this 5 minute? Yeah, from this 5 minute price action. What could Justin possibly be thinking already?
It's gonna be one of them days.
He said, is today gonna be? Oh, it was bad. It was bad. Tokyo said they raised the rates. I think it's the first time in like 2 decades they've raised rates. So yeah. So we'll see. I don't know. I don't know, man. All right, we're tapping back into this demand zone again. See if we find buyers down here again. For me, this is just a lower high in the overall trend, but I want to see us go ahead and break through this structure. Then I'll be interested. We can get below this 18078 level, which then I'd be interested on a pullback to short it.
Is there Oh no, we broke that little trend. That'd have been nice. Would have held that trend, project a little bit sooner.
Damn, oil? God.
Is oil sending? Yeah, makes sense. Market's dumping, so oil sending.
Oil's like out of here. Damn, oil.
Oh my God.
Bro, for real, I can feel my pockets getting softer right now.
Gold's also coming down, which is probably not helping BTC either. Gold has been in this like falling wedge pattern for like ever since BTC started dropping. Matter of fact.
Send me a little alert here on gold. I mean on oil. If oil taps back into what is this 82.14, I'm gonna be alerted. I want to know if we come back down. I like this setup over here on oil while NQ's trying to drop below the low here. All right, my alert is set for 82.31 to look for longs on oil. NQ, I'm expecting for us to drop below those lows. Like I said, I was extremely short. I wasn't short biased, but I was reading the price action, and it looked like looking at what we saw in Tokyo and London. Like buyers ain't it today. Just in my opinion. I would like to see the VIX start to participate though. Yeah, but the last 3 weeks, 2 of those weeks, the buyers was ridiculously running. You were just upset. You like, F this. Ain't no way we can keep going. And now you got a reason to be bearish. now you got a reason to be bearish. The last 2 weeks, you was like, man, I'm bearish. I'm like, but Jonah, the market's going up. yeah. Like Jonah was like, but I'm bearish. I'm like, but Jonah, the market's rallying 400 points to the upside. I don't care. All right, fine. Fine. That was the day. And what was the day was yesterday when we tried to get it back and then we failed. That was when I was interested. I said, oh, y'all defended very well. I agree. I also feel like the market's again preparing itself for tomorrow, right? So whatever tomorrow brings, then the market's either the bulls are going to pull out their wallet and start buying again, or they're going to really start selling, right? So I'm not really worried about this from a structural standpoint. I think we needed to come down and retest 17,000s, right? Because we haven't retested Jack S this entire time on the 4 hour, right? So coming all the way back down and retesting 17,960 needs to happen, right? If we can go higher. Because I think 17,775 is the retest area. That's where all of this buying started. And I think we may be coming for that today. All right, there's the break below that structure right there, about 20 points right there. So again, for NQ, I'm looking for retest of what is this? Dang, I wish it was much cleaner. Let me look at ES.
After this 15-minute candle closes, this is gonna be a really nice 15-minute supply zone on NQ. And this thing's probably gonna close pretty bearish.
On ES?
No, on NQ.
Oh, the 15-minute. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I was on the 5. I'm sorry.
Yeah, if you look at the 15-minute on NQ, this drop is dirty.
Oh, Jesus. Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
That looks good. That looks good. All right, cool. Because I was trying to find it I was trying to find the structure that I like to look for on the 5-minute. It was just kind of choppy, but you're right. The 15-minute looks even better.
Yeah.
Just get through the structure. Break the structure. Don't come back up here until you break structure. Because I'm gonna be so mad if you go all the way down there and then pop right back up. I hate that. Because then I got a decision to make, right? Like, I gotta decide whether or not I'm buying that as a break of structure or not. I don't want to have to decide. I just want you to just cook it and be done with it. That's all I need you to do.
That's hilarious.
Stay below 78 and close this 15-minute candle.
What, 3 minutes?
Yeah, we got 2 minutes and 58 seconds, Justin. Get it right.
Sorry. This thing's about to rip out of its mind. That's probably not. It's probably not full.
I was about to say, what are you talking about?
Just so that we can close at 86 and you can
oh yeah.
Oh
no, stop it. Don't listen to Justin. Don't listen to Justin. You don't want to do that. Don't listen to Justin, sir.
You got 2 minutes. Come on, NQ. Let's make today.
It's already done. No, it's already done its job. I've already seen it on the 1 minute. That's all I really needed to see.
Nah. Forget all that. Let's make it interesting. Come on, come up.
Now I'm inverting my charts, ladies and gentlemen. It's official. I'm bearish.
Don't you have a soundboard for this? You could have just.
I probably could have done that. I'm bearish.
He's gonna play the wrong sound. Oh no, he got it right. That was much better.
You like that? I'm bearish. He said, Jonah said, welcome over. Welcome over to the party.
He calls me lame.
That was lame. I can admit that. Your problem is when you do lame stuff, you try to justify it like it's okay. Like, I can admit when I'm being lame. You be like,
everybody,
lame, guys. What are you talking about?
Everybody besides you and Valdez loves the I'm on my bullish shirt. Everybody loves the idea except for y'all two.
Let's just walk around saying I'm on my bullish.
I'm on my bullish. It's for a shirt. I think it's great. I think it's a great idea. Y'all
lame.
It's not lame. Y'all just some haters.
Was that JC? Yeah, right. That JC lyric. Because you're so lame.
Y'all are haters. Y'all are haters. Y'all are haters.
Oh man, Justin, you be on some straight up light skin ish, bro, for real.
That shirt is fire.
You my dog,
fire
idea.
You my dog.
But you be on some light skin stuff for real.
Y'all some haters.
145 people in the 145 people in the building. Drop some other loving clues bombs. Let's go, baby. The shop is in full effect. Thank you guys so much for all of your love, all of your attention, and look, all of your subs, man. Listen, we're almost to 1,000. If you're watching us over on X, do me a favor. Come over to YouTube for just a second. You don't have to stay here. I don't need the viewership. What I want is for you guys to get, I just need 13 people to sub to the channel.
We need like 50.
Huh?
We need like 50 people.
Did I say 13?
Yeah, you said 13.
I can't math this morning. I'm sorry.
We need like 50.
We need 53 of y'all. It's 145 people in here. We just need 53. That's not even half. That's less than half, right? We just need, matter of fact, let's get half of everybody that's watching on X and Twitter and YouTube to come over to the YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. That's 53 people. I mean, it's on my channel. They watching the link right now. Like all I gotta do is hit YouTube. Yeah, if you guys are watching on X, come over to the YouTube channel, come hit the subscribe button, and then you can go back over and watch it on X, man. 147 people in the building. Appreciate each and every last one of you guys. All right, so what am I watching for? I'm watching for price to get back into about 116-ish, right? So when I'm watching price this way, I invert my charts. So don't get weirded out by this, but I invert my charts like so, right? And then I look for about 50%, right? 50% of this high and low. However, I understand that price could, instead of tapping back into this 50%, we could come back up and sweep this high, right? Because we just swept the low, right? So think about it like this. We just swept the low, right? We could anticipate price doing one of two things, tapping back into the 50% and going down, or coming back up and sweeping the high, coming back into my 1 hour supply zone, right? And then dropping, right? Coming back up to 50% and then going, something like that, right? So I'm just going to be patient and wait for what I want to see. If I get what I want, I'll take it. If I don't, I'll wait till I get what I want because it's coming. No doubt about it. If you want to participate in this move down, I anticipate this to be consolidation, right? Inside of that consolidation, I expect a sweep of the high, which could technically put us at 102.25 for that 50% tap, right? If we tap 50% and we start to look bearish, I'm going to look to trade that back down, right? Just expecting a sweep of the low because I don't need much. I've already traded in the Tokyo session, so.
Huh. I'm trying to. How do people put comments on those X videos that actually show up? I clearly don't know how to work it because. Interesting. Is
the market getting easier? Is it just me? Yeah, I think when you start to obey the rules of structure, the market gets extremely easy. Seems like a chop day again. Nah, this is really good price action. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this price action. It looks like buyers are definitely, whoa, there's a lot of buying that just came on in Q's tape. A lot of limit orders just showed up. So they're looking like they definitely want to push this back up to the high. I'm expecting a sweep of the high, but I'll settle for that 50% tap.
Oh, you think we're gonna go break the high a day?
The high a day?
Yeah. Wait. What did you just say?
Did you listen to anything I said?
No, I missed the ending. I'm just asking about what you said at the end.
No. You missed. No, I'm saying this because you missed everything I said before I even started the last part of I said. Look at my chart. Look, this is the part you missed. I drew this entire thing. I said, yes, I'm looking.
I was saying, yes, I see that.
Did you see it the first time I drew it?
I see the box, yes.
Not the box. I'm talking about this trend line right here. You see this?
Oh, yes, your trend line. Yes, very nice.
Okay. All right, I'm done. I'm not gonna show
what I said. I said you have a very nice trend line.
You're being a facetious dick. It wasn't a trend line. I was trying to show you what you completely missed because if you paid attention, you wouldn't have asked me the question that you just asked me. That's why I said I don't think you heard what I said at all. And you're like, yes, I did. I'm like, no, you didn't. Because if anybody was watching on YouTube, they saw me completely draw out everything, and then 2 minutes later, he was like, "So you're expecting to sleep with a high?" Like, what? What?
That's what I thought I heard. That's what I was asking.
Oh my God! All right, listen. So what I'm expecting is this here. We swept the low, right? So to complete Wyckoff, I'm either expecting us to sweep the high, come back into my 1 hour supply zone, right? Then get rejected aggressively, right? And come down. Or I said I'll settle for this 50% tap right here at 102.
You know why this is effing with me? Because you inverted your chart. That's why.
I said no, it's effing with you because you didn't pay attention to me. You did some justice stuff. You didn't pay attention to me at all. And then you asked me the same question.
No, it's effing with me because you inverted your chart and I forgot you inverted it. So when you said
if I inverted my chart and I said a sweep of the high or the low, I showed you a sweep of both. So whether I inverted or I showed you the regular way, it's still a sweep of the low and the high.
Yeah, no, but it's reversed though, because your high right now is actually the low and your low is actually the high.
No,
right?
My high. Oh, yes. When you're looking at it, my high is actually the low, and when yes, and the low is actually the high.
Yeah. So that's why my brain didn't correlate between the two because I'm looking at my chart like, what are you talking about? So
yeah. So this is my supply zone. So the way it works, the way it works best for me, so I understand it, is because my supply and demand zones are color coordinated, right? So if red is at the top, I'm inverted, right? I automatically know I'm inverted. So
okay,
I'm basically looking for a sweep of the high, right? And if you're looking at my chart on YouTube or through StreamYard, you'll be confused because you'll be thinking that this is the low, but it's not the low, it's the high.
It's not. Okay. Roger that.
Yes. But this break of structure lets me know that sellers are, this is the change of character basically. But I want to see a sweep of the high. And it looks like we're about to get that. Either we're going to get that or we're going to dead stop right here at 50%. So either one of those I'm interested in trading. Wee. Good job, man. Nice long.
Oh, good trade, Valdez. Good trade. We did tap into that 4-hour demand zone, so nice hold.
Well, anytime we get those, I was about to say, anytime we get those aggressive sell candles, Val, you can bet your bottom dollar. That's why he didn't say. That's why he didn't say I'm long. It was just understood. It was just understood. I was like, yeah. I was about to say, him and Jonah be like, oh, we sell off? Yeah, we're coming back up. Don't worry, I'll take that. Y'all don't want it? I'll take it. Nice. Yeah, I just want them too, but I like this. Jonah, don't even talk to me right now. Like, I'm so upset with you for taking that freaking long after you've been talking about these damn shorts all day long. Now you are long the market. Now you want to be long? You want to be long with us? That's the 50% tap. Yes, it is. Yeah, that's the 50% tap. But I want to see if we reject this or if we want to come back up and sweep the high. Well, that's why I don't take that early entry. I just wait till we break that structure again and start the process all over. Because I could take it on the tap, but I'd rather take it on the flip.
Yeah, let's see what we do here. It looks like we're in a very small range. NQ's moving though. NQ's moving nice.
NQ's always moving, bro. We don't need no announcements from the light skins. Nah, they trying to put up a fight on the tape. You don't need no announcements from the light skins.
Ooh, look at VIX. Oh my god.
We don't need no announcements from the light skin faction.
Hey, keep being ahead.
What is the VIX doing over here? Like, should the VIX be rallying, not sitting at 1528? The light skinned faction has spoken. we would like to delegate.
Hater.
We like the light skin nice, like the aggressive strays for Justin.
Hater. He's a hater.
we like to get rid of Justin Seals and bring in Justin Fields.
Justin Fields.
The backup.
Hey, y'all just wait. Justin Fields gonna be the MVP next season. Mark my words.
Boy, slap yourself. Yeah.
Hey, he got better odds in the sports books of being MVP than Russell Wilson, and Russell Wilson is starting supposedly.
Justin, neither one of them are gonna be the MVP.
Hey, Valdez, you should be on my side right now. You're a Steelers fan. You should be like, hell yeah, they're gonna be.
All right, here come the Bulls. Here come the Bulls trying to push through this level. I want to see them sweep the highs. Yeah, that's what I want. I want to see them sweep the high. Yep, here they come. Here they come. Here they come. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Come on. Don't stop right there. Don't stop right there. Make me make the decision at the high. Don't make me make the decision here. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, you know what the F I'm trying to see. Y'all know what I'm trying to see. I want to see that supply tap, baby. Come on, baby. Get up there, girl. 167. Let me make sure I got that same chart on my top step. Down. Hey, Pippi, quit yelling at us. What you got? Yo, I thought, bro, I didn't know what was happening. He scared the life out of me. I was like, what? First of all, who was Bertho? who was Big Bertha? Yo. That's all good. That be Pippi hungry. Yeah, get back to work, fool. What you eating, Bertha? All right, still not up there yet. I want to see us come up a little bit more. Don't dump here, please. Please don't dump. All right.
I gotta figure out how to remove the low off this.
All right, don't look like we gonna make it. Don't look like we gonna make it.
He might don't make it.
He might don't make it. Damn, sellers. Again, the VIX is just not participating, which makes me feel like it every time they sell this thing off, it's just a trap.
Yeah,
it's
right
very,
now
very strange. What's happening?
A nice
VIX,
like rising wedge pattern, looking like it's getting ready to fall out the sky.
Yeah, I want to say the same thing about NQ, but it looks like it wants to dump from here. See if we come up and put that other shoulder in here at 101. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Well, that's why I'm just being patient because I want to be patient and wait for this to push a little more, because right now we're definitely gonna fall. There's no question in my mind that we're gonna fall, but I want to know. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to take this short here or if I'm going to wait for it to push up. That's what I'm debating right now. If they put this lower high in here.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it to. I'm waiting for it to push up a little bit higher too. But ES is definitely in a falling wedge or in a rising wedge pattern right now. A really nice rising wedge pattern.
I know, right? delete. Well, just don't mark the zones and just focus on the price action. The current price action is bullish. That's all you need to know. Currently, we're bullish. That's it. Like, eliminate everything else out of your brain and just ask yourself, what is the market doing right now? No, the current price action is bullish. Like currently, we are bullish. We're in bullish character, right? Overall, what you're waiting for is a bearish flip. But until that flip happens, you just be patient. Or you take the scalps long, right? Right now, I'm watching to see how we react when we come up here. Do we put in a new high above 105? If we do, then that means the bullish character is going to continue. See, there's a closure above 105. Bullish character is going to continue. The tape agrees with it as well. Let's see if this was a sweep of the high, or are we going to continue higher? I want us to continue higher. Therefore, I'm just waiting, right? Like don't try to overthink it. Like when the market's ready to sell, it's going to change character and it's going to be obvious. Like something like that. Now let's see if we hold the low, or do we put it in? Yep, see, we held the low again at 90. Let's see if we go back up and put in a new high. As long as the market's putting in higher highs and higher lows, like I'm not really tripping. When the market stops doing that and then comes back up and retests inside of this trend, then I'm looking to get short. Retest and fail, rather. What in the world is that? Yeah, oh, I got alerted on oil. Let's see. Let's see. Let me go look at oil. Is it time to go long on oil? Looking good, oil. Might have the long oil. Let me see. Top Step got oil? Yeah, they got oil.
It does. It wouldn't be a bad idea to long oil if you think that ES and NQ are going to start dumping here soon, which I think they are.
Well, I just like the area. I set an alert, so we just got tapped in. On oil, 82.25. Yeah, whatever one Top Step has is the one I'm using. So yeah, it's CLK 24.
Yeah, gold is still on J.
Yeah, she's going to sweep that high, man. She's going to sweep that high, brother. Oh, they about to get smoked. Don't worry. they just revving up. They revving up the liquidity so they can go get smoked. They just they turn it on the smoker. I told you below 200, I'm bearish. If we get above 200 and we hold, then I'll reconsider.
Oh my god. My house is freezing. I'm over here cold as I don't know what. I'm about to get a winter jacket. My problem is my house it's hot upstairs, but it gets freezing downstairs, and my wife works upstairs, so she be super cold, or she'd be super hot, so she puts the air on, but then it'd be super cold down here. So I can't win. I need to get a space heater or something. Well, I have one actually. I might go grab it after I see what happens here.
You know, my kid in the gym, my boy. He said plus some. I'm pissed.
Did you sell before your TP, or did you sell before your TP? Jonah, did you sell before your TP or did you sell at your TP? Oh.
All right, we broke through the 50%. So I'm hoping that we hold above here. And the next test is going to be the supply zone that brought us down there. And if we don't hold there, then I'm definitely waiting for that sweep of the high. I'm not buying this bullish BS. This bullish business.
I'm starting to get selling on ES coming in, but
this is a setup one way or the other. We're gonna find out which way. Yeah, they warming it up, bro. They get the smoker warmed up. They like, oh, got them right where they want, right where we want them. You can start to hear the bulls come in when the bulls go by. Okay, all right. You're about to be brisket today. You're about to be brisket. Yo, the VIX is collapsing though. God, the VIX is like, oh my God.
Yeah, that is crazy. The VIX is coming down, but the market's still moving super slow though.
That's why I think it's a setup. Let me see where the VIX is structural. Ooh, yeah, we're coming. Ooh, we're into my 4-hour demand here. Let's see if we hold this low or do we keep coming down. It's a trap. It's a trap. Doom, doom.
These,
my oil long is doing good though. Let's go, oil. Go, baby.
This last 30 minutes worth of buying has been super weak.
Get up there, oil. Man, I should have got 2 minis on oil. This thing, I gotta make a hell of a lot of points to get $1,000 on oil with 1 mini. Gee,
I think you gotta get a
basically a whole dollar.
Yeah, $1.
This thing gotta move a whole dollar to make a rack. Okay, so all right, next time I'll trade 2 for sure. Setup was nice though.
I find like a 20-point stop, 20 to 10 or 20 to 10 cent stop on oil is pretty good.
Too rich for my blood.
Oh, what you doing a 5-cent stop?
Yeah, 13 cents, baby. $130. I mean, that's just the low. I mean, that's all I did. Gave it the low. Come on, market, start selling off so my oil trade can pump. There you go. Good job. Good job. Barbecue chicken. Slowly warming up the oven.
Bro, I gotta show you the dude that he tells jokes that don't make sense. Bro, I'd be dying.
Man, when do you find time to watch all of this mess?
That like late at night when I can't go to sleep.
Lord, you can't go to sleep because you're watching all this crap. Yeah, that's why he can't wake up for London.
I wouldn't trade London anyway. I wouldn't trade London anyway.
Oh, what's that smell?
Here we go.
What? I smell smoked rabbit. I smell smoked rabbit. Uh-oh. Let me switch my charts over here on Top Step. There. Let's see here. I just want the VIX to come up, man. Like, quit playing with them, VIX. Just retapping. Tap. We're retesting that 50% that brought us that basically the 50% that was supposed to act as resistance. Now it's acting as support. So we'll see. So we can get a change of character here. Nice change of character on the 15-second already at 110.
Yeah, buyers really tapped in at this low. That's nuts.
Double top, higher low put in at the high. Loving everything about this. Just come back up and fail.
Ooh.
Okay, sellers.
257? 257? Trying to get active.
I ain't trying to put in some work, huh?
Trying to get active.
Nope, they about to get smoked.
And then 230, and then 237 come back from the buy side like, yeah.
Yeah, all right.
How active do you really want to be?
You notice our market, don't you? You notice our market, right? All right, let's see here.
Time to get active.
Looking for failure at around 115.
Okay, Bulls. Check on these comments, see what y'all talking about.
You left.
Yes, Brett. His chart is inverted. Yes.
Oh, are they looking at my? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. My brain. I had to do it because I kept not doing it because I was streaming. But I'm like, man, I'm trading, not y'all.
Shay said, "What in the world is that? That's an inverted chart. That's what that is."
Oh no, they won't let me take it. Oh, I gotta take. Oh no! Damn it, Top Step X.
Oh, you're in too many contracts?
Yeah. Oh my God, I had a perfect entry. Oh. Shut up. I don't want to hear from you right now. I don't want to hear from you right now. I was about to catch it at 112. As soon as I saw that print on the 15-second, I was like, I'm about to get in. And I had my contract set to 5, but since I was in an oil contract, it wouldn't let me put on 5.
Oh, you put on 4.
So I had to put on 4. Even though I'm in an oil mini. Stupid, but whatever. See if we come back up and stop out Valdez before I get in.
Jesus Christ.
Try to beat his injury. It's not gonna give me 112. Let me back in. I wanted to sell off because it'll be good. It'll be good for my man, this thing's coming down, bro. Don't scalp this. Don't scalp this, bro. This thing's coming down. I'm telling you, man. I've been watching that Tokyo session. I've been seeing the same thing over and over again. Like push up, look aggressive, dump. Oh yeah. Here comes the barbecue chicken.
Sizzle.
If you don't feel like you're being cooked, you're probably the person that's for dinner. Or if you don't know what's being cooked, you probably dinner. Good clean entry, brother. Clean entry. Oh, the alarm that was pissing your ears. You guys could hear that? Oh, you guys could hear my alarm for.
I couldn't hear it.
I didn't know they could hear that.
I couldn't hear it.
My alert for ooh, here come these bulls. Whoa.
I had an alert as well, but
he like, I'm not even playing with these boys today. All right, we got him out of here, guys. Let's go ahead and short this. Okay. He's out. Who's next? I'm just kidding. Let me see how we doing over here.
This is like
ooh, oil. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Send this shit, baby. Let's go, oil. Let's go. 82.36 was my entry, guys, on oil. Again, NQ over here playing games. I want to participate in the shorts, but NQ just is playing with his food up here. I think we still want to sweep this high. We're still in bullish character on the 1 minute, so I'm just gonna let NQ do what it does. The low on the 1 minute is 18.091. That's the low that brought the high. So we haven't taken out that low on the 1 minute. We've taken it out on the 15-second, but the 1 minute just doesn't want to go. VIX. Wait, why is the VIX dumb? I'm so confused on what's happening with the VIX today.
Yeah, Apple's pumping right now.
Maybe that's why. ES is probably pumping too, then, huh?
I mean, it's doing the same thing that NQ is doing. Like, it looks like it wants to sell off, but it's holding value up here. But
yeah, that's why I'm gonna wait to see if we can sweep this high, man. I think I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna be patient and wait. Okay, I feel like we want to dump from here, but man, that high looks so juicy. Just sweep the high.
Oh, you know what this kind of looks like right now on ES at least. Let me.
Barbecue
Oh, it looks
chicken.
like that on. It looks like that on NQ as well. This kind of looks like a cup and handle right now.
A cup and handle.
Yeah,
I could see that. But I mean, the cup just wasn't. I mean, it wasn't really much. I don't know. The cup came down too far. If you're talking the cup coming in from 5 a.m. this morning, and then opening up. And
I'm talking about from open. Like if you look at it from 9:34, we came down, we rounded back up. Now we're kind of putting in that handle-ish pattern to break out.
Oh, I want us to break out. I'm betting on it. I'm betting on us break it out.
Because now on NQ we're pulling back into basically where we consolidated, pushing back up. So
hey, don't fade the oil today, baby. Don't fade the oil today, baby. I should have got more contracts, Pip. I'm working my way into a new instrument, baby. NQ like to play games, man. I like to trade oil when NQ be on this dumb stuff, especially on weeks when we got news. Give me that oil. It's in the chat. 82.36. Perfect double bottom ring, dude. $1. I don't even know structurally what I should be targeting, but I want $1,000, so it's $1. Yeah. So it's not based off structure at all. Who sold them shorts? Freaking Valdez. God dang it, Valdez, knucklehead. I want to see us sweep the high, though. I really want to see us sweep the high. I don't trust this still. Yo, oil moving clean right now, bro. Ooh. You should have never showed me oil, baby. None of this choppiness. We just going straight up. All right, bet. Say less. No pullbacks. All right. Ooh, I'm over here from ear to ear. Gritted from ear to ear. Yeah, the more NQ sells off, the more I don't care. It just makes me happy that oil, if NQ's selling off, I know oil is going. I'm not even looking at the oil trade. I'm like, yeah, she's going. All right. All right. Well, I'm gonna look at it and target something more relevant. I'm just letting it cook for now. Let's see. Tell Yvonne I'm home, baby. I'm back. I'm on the instrument that I'm supposed to be on, baby. He love oil. Oh, poor Yvonne. I don't think he wants to hear from me right now. He said when I spoke to him earlier, he might have been looking at short oil. Yeah, all right. I'm not as long as the instruments are dumping. I'm definitely looking at long oil.
Yeah, these shorts are coming in nicely.
Are you short?
No, I didn't like what I was seeing on ES. Like, I don't know.
It was super indecisive. I wanted structurally for us to sweep the high, but we just couldn't even get high enough to sweep it. So I was just like, you know what? Instead of playing games on NQ and doing nothing, I'm just gonna go over here and trade oil. Yeah, you're right. My target is egregious. Actually, no. My target is spot on. No. My target is spot on. If we, yeah.
Yeah, if we don't slow down inside of this supply zone, we're gonna look to take out this supply zone on the 4 hour. If you go all the way back to where this zone was created, it was created November 2nd, 2023. And that's the last time we were up at these prices. So if we don't slow down inside of this zone, I'm expecting oil to definitely push through this supply zone and take out 83. We're at the 50% of that 4 hour right now. So I expect us to struggle here, but as long as NQ is coming down, then we should look to continue. So sorry, guys, I wasn't paying attention to the NQ trade. I tried to short. I was going to short up here. So we got a sweep of that 50%, and we came back into the supply zone that caused the structural break. We came back into that supply zone, and now we're dumping, expecting this to push break below 52. I wanted to keep pushing because I want my oil trade to keep going as well. If this keeps dumping, then oil should keep pumping. Sorry, I took a trade on oil. I had this trade up here, and I know the chart's inverted. If it confuses you, I'll revert it. Is that how you say it?
Sure.
Yeah. Justin, I hate y'all. He said, sure, whatever language you want to speak, Hobbs. What up, Shot-Town? We got 180 people in the building. Let's go, Shop Fam. Stand up. Listen, all I'm asking, right? All I'm asking is out of 179 people from Twitter to YouTube land, this is all I'm asking. All I'm asking y'all to do is for 50, not even 30% of y'all to come over to YouTube for a hot second, just a hot second, and tip the barbers, aka hit the subscribe button, right? Like the channel, dislike the channel, just sub to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Go over there and hit the sub button, right? And then go back. We are less than 50 people away. Let me check. Let me double check, see if anybody hit the sub button.
No, we're exactly at 50.
Oh, we're okay. So we're 50 from hitting 1,000 subs. We got 180 people in here. 50 of y'all can just go over to the trading shop and hit the daggone button, man. 30 people watching on YouTube. I mean, it could be, but what if they not?
Well, if they not, then bring your ass over here and sub. Hurry up.
If you're not sub, get over here and sub, right? 28 people watching on YouTube. The other 130 or 150 are watching on X, which is fine. I'm cool with that. Watch away, baby. Views is views, in my opinion. So watch away, but make sure you sub. Make sure you sub. We did take I took the longs on oil. They're looking pretty good. I don't think I need to trade this Top Step account anymore today if this thing goes to where I want it to go. I should have took 2 cons, man. Should have took 2 cons, man.
Are we really about to bounce here at the low of the day for New York? Is that what we on market? I'm waiting. I don't know. This volatility today has been really, really bad over here on ES. I mean, the short was
volatility.
Nice. Well, that's true. What volatility is better? Is better? That is true.
What volatility? Y'all ain't got no trades over there. Quit lying. You lying.
No, I mean that could have been like a nice like
it's like it's nice like you remember on Wild 'N Out when Justina be talking about she's super thick, she'd be like, I got the same problem, I'm super thick too, and old buddy cut her off. He's like, girl, you got a body like an iPhone. That's how I feel about ES and volatility. Volatility, get out of here. Get volatility over there, boy. Good playing, bro.
You got an 8-point scalp out of this. It's just slow.
You ain't on ES to scout, bro. You not. You're on ES to catch a bigger move, but today the volatility. I mean, look at the VIX. This thing's down to 1520. The volatility just ain't there. That's why I just switched instruments, bro. I'm like, I already knew today was gonna be choppy, price action wise, because we're so close to FOMC. So I'd rather trade commodities on days like this. I might trade them again tomorrow. The way oil treat me over here. Let's go, oil! Oil! Bro.
Yeah, and Q looks like it wants to bounce. You got that candle that you wanted. The that candle at 1024. That's your candle.
Facts. It said no.
That's your candle.
If you said my man might have been looking to short it, so I don't think he want to hear from you. That's funny.
And you got your candle at 70 at 22 too. 1022. That was your candle.
Hey Pip, these bulls ain't going nowhere today, bro. The VIX is selling off right now, like
That's another reason why I couldn't short this.
I cannot short this. Look at what the VIX looking like this. So the VIX is dropping out of the sky right now, which tells me somebody's these Pippi might be right. I'm not gonna lie, because looking at this VIX, it's slowly starting to convince me that I don't know. I'm gonna hold true to staying below 200, but yeah, there's a lot of buying going on because the VIX is dropping out of the sky. Like this thing's almost back to 14. 200 is the previous day low, and we struggled to stay above or get above the previous. Man, the stock market is looking super bullish today too.
Yep.
Yeah, it just said yo. Yo, I'm looking at these stocks. Pippi might be onto something here. But yeah, so the previous day low is at 205, Pip. And if you see, other than that rally where we took out Tokyo last night, other than that rally, we've basically been holding price below 205, the previous day low. So I'm kind of fading that sweep. And I'm looking at 205 being like the don't even think about it zone. So I would prefer price rally from here and then push into my supply zone so I can short it back down. But I'm not even worried about it right now. I'm debating what I'm going to do with this oil trade here. I don't see any other structure.
This chop is real.
That we could be freaking. Let me see. Yeah, I don't see this thing doing anything but going to 83. Like, I don't see us coming up here, getting super bullish and it coming all the way back down. Like, I feel like if we came up here, we're coming to break the high. And the high is 83.24. Yeah, I should get my target today. I should get my target.
Damn, if we push here and break this high on NQ.
Yeah, I can see us getting at least 83.23. My 36 may be a little much, but I'm gonna start to move my stop in profit once we get into 83. If we get into 83, other than that, I'm gonna just stay at the stop loss. I mean, the risk is so minuscule; it's crazy. On one mini, I'm risking $130. So, yeah. Well, the way I'm looking at it is structurally, we just broke another high above 82.63, right? And we could pull back into 82.44, right? I would prefer us keep rallying so that we put in another swing much higher so that this 44 can be protected, right? And as long as the stock market continues to sell off, I feel like I'm okay. But oil, if this thing starts to pull back, it's gonna do that thing, that Superman shit. I'm like, yeah. I would be like, yo, let me get out of oil. So I'm watching it very carefully. I'm gonna move my stop into profit now below that 44 level, so I'm not losing anything. So I'm moving my stop. Oh my gosh, yes, dump.
Yeah, yes, and NQ are starting to dump.
There it is. Now but again, the VIX. What the VIX? What are you doing today? What are you on? Go up.
Go up.
Like, I don't understand. I don't understand what's happening with the VIX. Man, we came back up to that 106. Flushed.
Yeah, but the market's holding.
It's holding though. Like it's
holding the low.
It's holding the low. It does not want to give up that low. It's the same stuff it did last night in Tokyo, bro. It was like it would look so aggressive coming back up and then straight up dump.
Yeah, we look super aggressive coming up. Then we look super aggressive coming back down. Maybe the sellers should win this, but
bro, this is exactly bro, if y'all was trading Tokyo last night, this is exactly what Tokyo looked like last night. It was so much like it was following structure, but the way it would come back to structure was just fearful, right? Like you have faith that structure is gonna hold, but when it comes up like super speed, you're like, nope, cut. I'm out. You know what I mean? Like, you got to trust the structure, but at the same time, it's like, dang, man, it's hard sometimes, you know? K ran in the building, dropping a chart. Let me take a look at this. What do you got, brother? Oh, you took the shorts? Nice. That 50%. Really nice. Sweep of the high. Yep. That's the trade that we were just talking about. Yep. Perfect. We were talking about that 50% and then potentially that supply zone that brought the high. I just missed it because I was taking my short. I was taking my longs on CL, and then I came back. I had it, but I came back and I messed it up. You know what I mean? I foobarred it. But good short, man. Good call. Yes, sir. Good clean trade, brother.
This is sideways. Well,
we just broke a low, so we came back up and retested the high that brought us there, and now we're consolidating. Again, it's really hard if you don't get that retest of the high. So if I didn't get short up there in the 110s, this would be a hard hold. But oil is pumping, baby. Let's go. Hold that low, oil. Let's go. All right, we got to get back above 82.80 on oil for this uptrend to continue. We didn't put in a lower high right there. We're just kind of consolidating after breaking a high. So if you're trading oil with me, 82.80, we need to get above it. We get above there, I think we can make a push into 83 rather. I moved my stop into profit by about $30, mainly because I want to hold to at least 83, and then I'll start to secure more profit. If we start to come down aggressively, then I'm not gonna sell it. I'm trading the oil for experience purposes, but also to make profit. So like I'm cool with, because I'm trading on Top Step X, I'm cool with the trade coming back on me, right? I'm just maybe I'll move it to 82.52. That's a protected low as well. Yeah, I'm gonna move it there. That means I'm securing a little bit. I'm securing the 1-to-1. My risk was 130. There we go. All right, so I'm securing the 1-to-1. That makes more sense instead of $30, and I'm up 400. So I'm securing the 1-to-1. I'm up. Yeah, I want to say a 3-to-1 right now, but my goal is to get to 83, so I really don't care about all of that. Let me see. Long position tool. Let me see. My entry was here. What the? Okay. Note to self: long position tool does not work well on Top Step X.
Oh, you try. It works. It works, but you gotta turn the magnet on.
No. Like the settings are off. It's like percent. Oh, maybe I got to go into the settings. Hang on. Like my stuff started off as percentages. Settings, ticks. Oh, come on, InQ, don't do this. Don't do this.
This part's actually trash. What up, old black grandpa?
What?
Jonathan Princess, love the morning show. Thanks. Boys, rocket, red, countdown, liftoff, red, rocket, countdown, liftoff. I don't know what that looks like, but it sounds dope. And then not like robbery,
but it sounds dope. Said that with no emotion. Yeah, I don't know what that looks like, but it sounds dope. Good job. Good job, buddy.
It sounds dope. I don't know what it look like. Jonathan Princess, I got y'all on YouTube. Anyway, we can open up the live chat, CPU use. And then I'm pretty sure this is you. Somehow you just changed your name to Custom Barbecue. It says, okay, I got it now. My bad. All right, cool. That's what's up.
Wait, what was he trying to do? Open up the live chat?
Yeah, the live chat's always open. I have no clue. I don't know. Figured it out. Custom Barbecue / Jonathan Prince, because I'm pretty sure you changed your name from Jonathan Prince to Custom Barbecue. So
is he in the Discord?
No. He's talking about YouTube.
Oh, okay. I thought he meant like the voice chat.
No. He's talking. Thanks. No, he's talking about YouTube.
What's my entry?
YouTube live chat. LG Willie says, what platform should I use on Apex Rhythmic or Tradeovate? What do you guys prefer? I like Tradeovate. I've only tried Rubnik once, and I used Ninja. But yeah, Tradeovate's just the easiest one to use. I like Tradeovate. Plus, if you use TradingView, you could just connect your Tradeovate to TradingView and then trade on TradingView. So I think most people probably prefer Tradeovate. It's the easier platform. Although I did hear you can actually use Ninja Trader on your phone. I didn't know that, but I wouldn't. I would just use Tradeovate, honestly. This market is coming back up. Looks like we double bottom, and now we're about to go. Yeah.
And I'm with them.
Oh, you did get your candle. You got your candle that you like to see, Valdez.
We'll see.
You got the double bottom. You got your candles.
Let's see them get over. Yo, they're angry, bro.
You just gotta hold above this this break right here. LOL, the red rocket lift off. The chit was hella funny. The chit was hella funny.
He's laughing at your breakdown of everything that was in the chat.
I just read what it said. It said it says red rocket countdown, lift off, red rocket countdown, lift off. So
I know. I don't know. It sounds mechanical the way you read it. It was funny. Mic check. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay,
Man,
I froze on my end.
Is trash.
All right, let me close my YouTube. I don't know. Something's slowing my thing down. Yo, what was that? Streaking, bro. They're streaking. We're going streaking. Custom barbecue. Yeah, they coming. Yeah,
there's a lot of buying up here at these highs. A lot of buying up here at these highs.
There's gold in them there heels. Yeah, the VIX is telling a story for me. Like, it might be over for these bears. The VIX has not gotten one bid all day.
Apple's sending right now.
It might be over for these bears.
Oh yeah, and Amazon. The only one that's not is Google, but yeah, I'm not looking to short this. Nope.
I'm still looking to short it if it comes up to 167. I don't trust the bears. I don't trust the bulls above 200. But down here, I think this is the area you definitely want to get long. I definitely would not be looking to short down here with all of this buying coming in. Oh man, BTC is now below 63,000,
which means gold's probably dumping. Oh no, actually, gold's actually reversing.
Right, here comes oil to come and cook my ass. Let's see. See if we hold this area here on the low, or we about to reverse character on oil. You gotta be on it, man, because this thing will reverse character on you so fast, and next thing you know, you be down in a trade. Well, I can't go down. I'm still walking away.
He's like, I can't lose, but you know,
I'm gonna take my $200 though. I'm locking in 210. This thing is look like it's about to flush. If this is about to flush, it's time to go get long on NQ. All right, locked in my area of profit for for CLK. Now it might be time to go get. Let me see here. I like this. It kind of puts me on the right time frame where I'm like, all right, well, that trade's over. Time to go long NQ now. All right, NQ, I see you, baby. What you got going over here? Well, I never left, baby. I never left.
Oh, let's go, God.
NQ. Let's go. Double bottom. I see you.
Right? Right. Oh my God. Yes. Okay.
Nice little double bottom over here. Okay, NQ. All right, we. Hey, nobody talking about
ES is breaking above its high a day.
Yo, Pippi, I told I told y'all longs was good all day, bro.
He a damn lie.
Bro, I told you longs was the move, bro. Like, what are you doing? What are you... Yo, shut up. Shut up. They're back. They're back regular. They're back regular. Whatever side's winning, baby. My side. That's my side. Yeah, you damn right I did. I'm still looking to short this thing. Let it come up here. Come up here to 169. Then we'll talk. You talking to me from way down there. I don't want to hear you from down here. I mean from up here. I can't even hear you from up here. I don't even hear you. That's true. That's true. You should be out the trade. Because by the time it gets to 169, I'd be out of my oil trade too. We all be in profit. I don't care. Don't matter to me, baby. Green is green. No, I mean, no. I'm not long on this. I wasn't watching it. I was babysitting my oil trade. I was setting my profit. I was setting myself in profit for oil. So yeah, it was really smooth. I've already locked in profit, bro. I locked in, like I locked in I've moved my stop loss into profit. So I'm okay with taking home 200. So 50% of the overall move is what I want. And that's what I got my take profit at right now. So as long as I get that, I'm good.
Dang,
but I think we might pull back and then start to go back up though. And if we do, I'll look to re-enter. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're pulling back right now.
Pulling back where? Oh, back down.
Oil. All right, I'm out of the oil trade right there.
Yeah, I'm about to say.
Look how she come. Look how she come down. That's why I be getting up out of there, bro. Like oil come down like a monster, bro.
Goodness gracious alive.
Oil. Yeah, oil be coming back down heavy, bro.
And
I'm looking might be re-enter.
Oh, yes. Jesus.
Are you trading, Justin, or you just spectating?
I'm spectating right now. I mean, there wasn't anything for me to do on ES long, so
I don't know what he's doing, man.
I'm not. He just keep
like putting emojis in the chat.
I'm not putting no emojis in the chat. I don't have a trade setup. So I'm just not trading. If I don't have a trade setup, I just don't take trade. There's no setup. NQ was in demand, but I wasn't watching NQ.
Let's get it.
Yeah, VIX is dropping. Nvidia's pumping. Jesus.
For what? Yeah, bro. They swept Tokyo. Yeah, they swept Tokyo and then came back down and killed everybody. Looking like we got room to grow. All right, let's see if oil gives me a second entry here at 82.44. That's the level that I wanted us to come back to. NQ's too far gone for my blood. Well, oil is right where I'll take it again too. So exactly.
This shit is still pumping. Good lord. CO.
Get back up there, CO. Get back up there. Another double bottom. Freaking clowns. Bro, the VIX is in the freaking trash can, bro. The VIX is in the trash can right now. This thing is almost to 14. This thing is almost to 14, bro. This is crazy.
All right, there goes some aggressive selling up there at the high.
Let me see here. All right, back over to the Qs. Let me see. Man, it's like they look so aggressive to the buy side, and then all of a sudden the sell side just comes in even more aggressive. Next thing you know, we're just holding. Hey, Yvonne might be good too, because the shorts are coming in on oil now too. So,
oh, look, these bulls. Okay, woo, that shut down right there.
I still think we're going up though, because if we hold here, we might go up again. I'm debating whether or not I want to get in. Oh yeah, smoked fried chicken. Yeah, if I get back in, it would be with double the size. Now that I got a little cushion here. What for NQ?
Longs up here.
Who is they? I'm not even trading NQ right now. I'm looking to get long on freaking oil right now. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm looking to take oil back up. Oh no, bro. All right, look. Let me be clear. Let me be clear. Unless NQ gets above 200, I'm very, very sure that we're gonna dump. Put it that way. I think we're just playing games in this area, eating up all of this liquidity. Did we get above that demand zone yet? Let me see. Let's take a look. Yeah, we're almost where I want to shorter back down. We're almost up there. We're coming up nice and slow. Where you should be getting out. You should be getting out at 167 because we're coming. Which is another 30 points away. So your longs look really good. Very nice. Yeah, I'm all out of that CL trade, but I'm looking to re-enter here. If we can get back above structure here. 11:30. What time is it? I bet 11:30. Let me see where we can be at by 11:30.
Real choppy.
Woo! NQ! Talk dirty to me, NQ! Go, girl! Let's get it, Shop family. Eat this junk up, baby. Eat it up, eat it up, eat it up. You know what I should have done? Super pause.
Yeah, I'll talk about me.
Eat it up is crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy.
And y'all talk about me.
Leave me alone, Justin. Okay, you're rubbing off on me. Pause.
Y'all. No, hell no. It's not that bad. It's not
You
that
said
bad.
hell no.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Oh my god.
And how you saying it with such emphaticness too, like so strong. I don't be saying it that strong. He be saying it with enthusiasm. I don't be on it that hard. God damn.
Boom. The boom box, as Void would say, the boom box has once again held and did its thing. So if you got long inside that demand, man, that was a really nice trade. That double bottom was classic. And we got that, like you said, you got that candle structure on NQ that you love to see, Valdez. Beautiful trade, man.
Woo, look at oil coming right back up.
What? What you say? 11:30, huh, Pip? 11:30, huh? Like 11:30, huh? Wait till 11:30, huh? Wait till 11:30. All right, man. You know what? I won't take this trade. He said wait till 11:30. I'm gonna wait till 11:30. Zip. It was like should have got it in, bro. Should have got it in. I don't know. This looked like it might be a retest to start trading lower though. Looking at the fact that we just broke structure, you see that?
Mm-hmm.
This might be a retest.
That's what I was. Lower. That's what I was thinking. I was looking at shorting it, but I wanted to come back up to like 82.76. But it looks like we're about to reject this damn lower structure right here potentially.
Yeah, the 50% is at 82.65 though.
Oh, is that 65?
Mm-hmm. Just 50% of the trend that we're currently in. Sometimes I'll take it from both, right? Like I'll take it from, I see the 82.76. That's the previous swing low. But sometimes I'll take it from the current one too, because that sometimes if price doesn't want to travel all the way up, it'll stop right there. Oh yeah, go down NQ, go down. I mean, it's good.
You don't know what you don't know what he want, and then he rooting against Valdez, but then for him to win, well,
okay. I'm not gonna say nothing because I told Justin I felt super bad about talking you out of your trade yesterday.
Both of y'all can win. Both
I
of
felt
y'all
real
can
bad
win.
about it, man. Morning, Micaiah. 202 people in the building today. Let's go, Trader Shop family. Again, if you guys are watching us on X, welcome to the shop. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. I am up on the day. I took a long on oil. I did not trade NQ. Justin's waiting on setups over on ES, which means he's going to be a grandfather before he gets a trade. And the Discord family is absolutely cooking this morning. Start out with my man Pip waking up this morning at 236 pips or ticks or whatever. Me last night killing the market for I don't even know how many points it was. It wasn't even that many points. It was just a lot of money because it was 4 minis, but it was a lot of money. Yeah, I don't know how many points it was. It was a lot of money. I was like, look, Valdez was like, yo, Hobbs, stay in. I was like, Rob Benso, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? I was like, what is what's up, AC Trades in the building? Let's go, Austin. He said, what's up, dudes? After my stream, it's a regular to come here and hang for a big. Let's go, brother, man. Welcome to the shop, good sir. We appreciate you, family. I definitely could have caught your live stream yesterday because I was off yesterday. I just honestly forgot because I had so many appointments, man. But I got to get in there and check you out for sure, man. For sure. Loving the Twitter spaces. If you guys haven't checked out AC Trades on YouTube, my boy Austin in the building. Go check him out. He gives incredible data when it comes to finding the footprints of buyers and sellers in the market. He also hosts his own Twitter space on Twitter. What, Austin, are you doing like every Wednesday or something like? 2 apology tweets. Yeah. I gotta route that shit, bro. I gotta route that shit. But he hosts his own Twitter space, and he has his own YouTube channel. And my man has his own business. So very successful, brother. Just a good dude altogether. So thank you so much for stopping by the shop, man. We appreciate you, good sir. Justin, ES grew cobwebs yet or anything?
Huh?
Ooh, these buyers on NQ.
Yeah, same thing on ES.
Jeez.
We just rallied.
MC Papa.
I'm really trying to short CL right now, honestly.
Trying to short CL.
I think that's gonna be the move. I mean, if ES and NQ are gonna keep pumping,
nah, man, you stay over there. You stay over there on ES. Don't be trying to come over here and mess with my baby CL, bro. You ain't want to trade CL this whole time. Don't bring your butt over here and start bringing your bad luck over here,
nice
bro.
little sell-off, right?
Oh,
coming back.
Get away from me, Justin.
Now it's looking.
I rebuke you in the name of Jesus.
We're pumping back up, right? We're pumping back up. Now I'm just looking for the short.
We're sending, Justin. We're about to send everything, bro. I'm back in on oil at 82.58. Let's go. You know I listen to Pippi, but not for real. I'd be like, man, I love you, you my dog, but I'm gonna just trade what I see.
I think we gotta. I'm waiting for this little uptrend to break. So go ahead.
If I had to take it, man, it was looking too good, bro. It was looking too good. I had to take it, man. I'm sorry. I had to take it. That's two for 2 on oil today, baby. I can't lose. Can't lose. Let's go, oil.
Oh shit!
Kill count, double the size, about to be done. Holla surprise. While Justin's trying to freaking short, I'm in the longs, baby. It's the only way to go is up. That's all. Let's go, Sydney oil. Short it down, Justin. Get short down.
I'm good. That idea's cooked. But the short on ES might not be though.
You said shorts. I said, oh really? Okay. All right.
Yeah, well,
send everything. Let's go. Look,
yeah,
oil might be my new baby, man. Oil just might be my new baby. I'm just saying. Like, I think I might have found a new baby. I might have just found a new baby. Double up on oil.
Might be me. I don't know why. You sound like a robot, but it might be.
Do I sound like a robot? I'm sorry, brother.
It might be me though. I don't know.
You sound fine.
Oh, now you're good. All right, we just ran the high on ES, got rejected. Let's see if we put in a lower high here. Let's see if we can break below 06. I think NQ's doing the same. Oh no, NQ actually already did the inverse head or the head and shoulders thing. Aha! Gotta be careful about it. the Jada kiss.
Right, lock in. Lock it in the 400 on oil. If it knocks me out for 400, I've done my job. $600 on a new instrument. I will take it, baby. Either kick me out or go to the moon.
It's $10
per cent if you trade minis. So 20 cents per $20 per point if you trade 2 minis.
Yeah,
I got $400 in like freaking no time, and it don't waste time getting to where it's going to, right? Like it just goes. That's what I'm liking about it. Woo! Let's go, Oyo! What? Oyo, we trade this whack ass NQ. Choppy chop. All right, man. All right, Oyo. All right. Okay. I'm sorry. I don't know what took me so long to come to you, right, and really talk this out. But you know what? Locking in 500 on the day on oil. I'm freaking done. I'm done trading. I don't need nothing else today. Let's go, oil. I swear, I'll be back at 11:30 though, because Pip said 11:30. I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
I'll be back at 11:30.
AC Trade says, every Monday. Okay, every Monday for his Twitter space, ladies and gentlemen. I got short up at 143. Eaton, let's go. I'm about to join you on them NQ shorts. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting. I think we're gonna come up higher, so I'm being patient. AC Trade says we have about 17 more minutes. Hey, I'm out of your way, bro. I told you I'm not gonna mess with you until you come up to my area. You come in my neighborhood, I'm gonna have to, just check your temperature. That's all. We have about 17 more minutes. If we fail to retrace to midnight open, by then we could lock in a lower high on the higher time frame, sending us lower. Yep, I agree. I think we see it the same way. I'm basically looking at NQ on the 1 hour, right? And looking at this supply zone that we've created here, right? We haven't done anything, right? Bulls have gone nowhere in the grand scheme of things. They've gone nowhere. It's a lot of buying, but we haven't gone anywhere, right? And my thought process was, as long as we're trading below the previous day low of 205, I'm interested in shorting the market. It doesn't mean that I can't get long. It just means that when we come up here, I'm definitely interested in shorting. I didn't take the longs on NQ because I didn't like the PA, right? Instead, I took the longs on CL. Oh no, I sold too soon. Oh, my heart, my soul. I'm sorry, CL. I'm sorry. I won't do it again.
Lord have mercy.
I'm sorry, CL. You know what I like about CL is that it follows structure really cleanly. It doesn't do that chop. It's almost like trading ES, but with the speed of NQ. You know what I mean by that, Jay? Like the smoothness of ES.
Yeah.
Exactly. Like when we pull back into 50%, I sold my position for $200. So I said, okay, if we pull back into 50% and we hold it though, I'm going to look to get back in. And we held it right at 50%. I said, okay, I'm going to get in right here. We held it. And you see my line where I entered, like we held it and it was just like zip. I said, oh, I've been playing games over here on NQ. You know what I mean? Playing games. Because NQ will tap the 50. It'll bounce down. It'll bounce up. It'll bounce down. It'll bounce up. You know what I mean? It'll be doing some funny stuff. So it's like, man, I like it when it's smooth. When NQ smooth, that's my boo. That's my first love. But CL, she about to be the side piece for real. I think I found a home. That trade was so smooth, bro. Both of them. And watch this thing gonna go right to 83, and I'm just gonna upset me. I think we're just a little too far extended for my blood. I'm gonna listen to my man Pip in my ear telling me to wait for 11:30. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to 11:30. 11:30, Pip, is that you just looking to see what price does, or you're expecting reversal at that level? Is that how you look at that? Just out of curiosity. I don't know if you're still here. You might not be still here. Yeah. Yeah. Because again at 11:30, yeah, I'm definitely curious to see where we are because we're slowing down up here inside of this supply zone. So maybe we get an aggressive rip and then come down and start selling. We just haven't had a really healthy sell-off on oil at all in a long time. So
I just want the market to come up one more time. Test one more time up there and see what you do. That's all I'm waiting on.
Wait, are you talking about oil or are you talking about
No,
ES?
no, I'm not. I'm looking at yes.
Let's see what Justin's looking at.
The VIX is still selling though. We just ran the high and got rejected, and then on the tape, at the absolute high, there was literally no selling. It was just straight buyers before we dump back down. But if we're gonna come up aggressive and not protect the high, then I'm not gonna short it. And we're not protecting the high right now, which is unfortunate.
Yeah, it's not time.
So we
yet.
could
I'm gonna wait till about 11:30. Right, we should be coming up to my level around that time.
Oh, that's what I was looking for. Go ahead.
Oh, no, I was just saying I'm gonna wait till about 11:30. We should be coming up to my level around that time. And then it's game time, baby. Game time. 151 people watching on my Twitter page. Let's get it. I love it. I love to see it. This really large pause. This this X page that has a lot of subscribers followed me yesterday, like 51,000. 51,000. It was like some trading channel. It was weird. I was gonna tell you about it yesterday, but I forgot.
It was really large, huh?
I knew you were gonna.
They're following. This
I
page
tried
got some long followers, don't it?
I knew it. I knew it. I was like, he heard.
Got some long followers, don't it?
Justin probably heard 0, bro. Like none of that. He heard none of that.
I heard all the
rally. Here comes the rally into that high. Very good long. Very nice long, sir. Very nice long, baby. Let's go. Great hold. Really clean.
They did not deny.
Facts. Y'all want to know what my profit on the day for Top Step is? It's kind of eerie. I mean, I take profit on Top Step X. I haven't traded anything but Top Step X today. Yeah, $4. My profit is 666.96.
Oh, that's how much you made today.
That's how much I made today. My profit is 666.96. Isn't that weird? Isn't that a strange number? I don't like it. I need to go lose some money or gain some money. Yeah, I gotta do something. I looked at my P&L. I said, ew. I can't go. I can't. Yeah. Something crazy has to happen now. Like, what the heck? I looked up. I said, oh no, we got to take another trade. That's a sign. I got to take another trade.
Throw a little micro on.
Oh man, this thing got busy. Beautiful double bottom down there at the low, and then go. All right, I'm back. I'm back, boys. I'm back on NQ. Yeah, ain't nothing changed. Yeah, you know what, AC? I've heard natural gas is good. I think Justin's told me about it, and I've seen some YouTubers talk about it. To me, it doesn't matter. Like, I love everything follows structure, but the more I find price action that's better than NQ, right? Because NQ gives you, I told you, sometimes when I trade NQ, I got a rare heart monitor, right? Like, NQ gives the most points, but the smoothness of the price action can allow you to put more risk on, right? And then you don't have to hold for longer moves, right? Like, you just jump right in and jump right out. But he says, if you like CL, look at NG. It's so dang manipulated. Look at how NG and CL respect the same movements from 07 to 800 Eastern every morning. So predictable. Yep. I like it, man. I like it. LG Willie in the building. Yeah. I think that's what AC trades as well. He trades the Dow.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of people trade the Dow. I've never traded it, but again, as long as everything follows structure, so I don't mind trading anything. LG says, is anyone here doing an Apex evaluation? I'm not trading my Apex right now. I got a 300K over there and a 25K that I still haven't traded. I probably should trade that thing. Bro, I keep forgetting about it. Like, honestly, I keep forgetting. I'm so addicted to trading the 300K. No, the 300K matter. I'm almost done with it. That thing matters. Take profit. I have 150K, which I haven't traded. I haven't traded that this week either. But again, I didn't really trade yesterday. So, what platform do you use? Yeah, I really didn't do anything yesterday. I mean, I lost. I did take a loss. In fact, I mean, technically, I traded in Tokyo, which was technically yesterday, but it was today's trading day. When it goes, YM. Yeah, you can connect TraderVate through TradingView, 100%. Like, if I wanted to trade my TraderVate account right here live on the channel through TradingView, I could do that, right? But again, I'm not a fan of sharing my trades with the entire land of YouTube and Twitter.
Oh, Vix.
Yo, Vic's been telling the whole story all day, bro.
I'm actually hoping Vix reverses here. We're tapping into some demand. I'm hoping we reverse.
Man, 11:30, baby. 11:30, push up to 167.50, maybe 180. Then we dump.
Man, look at CL now.
I'm glad I'm out. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. I'm glad I locked in that profit, baby. I don't like the number that it ended up giving me, but it's consolidating at the high.
CL wants the dump. It wants it.
Nah, as long as we're consolidating at the high, like I think we're fine. We're not breaking below, at least on the 5 minute, it looks good. Yeah, I always try to look at the 5. Like the 1 minute, sometimes it I'm not gonna say it confuses me, but sometimes it doesn't give a cleaner story. Yeah, it doesn't give a cleaner story. So I like to zoom out to the 5 and get a good idea of what price is doing. Man, what a slow ass grind up, man. This is a slow grind up, like slow.
Yeah. Meanwhile, CL's making moves. Either you can short it or you can long it. You be killing it either way, honestly.
Yeah, that's a 40-cent move right there. That's $400. Like on the short, that's yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
you played 2 minis. You played 2 minis on CL, bro. You're scalping that thing for $400 because the moves are just super clean. It's not like that. You know what I mean? Like when CL's ready to move, it just goes zoop zoop. When NQ's ready to move, it's like I'm trying to get down there. I'm trying to get down there, and then whoop, bulls come right back in. You know, so like you need a heart monitor, bro. That's what I'm saying. I don't know if I can trade natural gas on Top Step X though. I have to do.
I don't think you can trade natural gas.
Yeah, I don't think you can.
Not on Top Step.
They got the Dow though. Let me look at the Dow. Damn, we only go up. God. The Dow Jones, bro. No pullbacks. Wow. I might have found another one.
That's weird too, because I thought I thought the Dow and NQ normally move together.
Yo, this thing been moving. Oh, yeah. Hey, today might be an exploration day, baby. The Dow. How does the Dow move? Somebody tell me what the point system is on the Dow.
I think it's the same as NQ.
Let me see. Because they only. Let me look. I'm gonna look it up right now. Damn, BTC.
Wait till the Dow moves slower.
What you say, Jay?
I said void to the Dow moves slower than NQ.
Yeah, but it gets going though. I want to know what the point system is though. Let me add it. I'm gonna analyze it right now. I'm not trading NQ way up here, but let's see. YM E mini Dow. Why they call it E mini Dow $5 futures? What is that?
Yeah, CJ with the cheese says it's $5 a point. Is that for the minis or for the micros though?
They don't have micros. Don't look like.
I don't think they do.
MYM. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. I ain't trading micros though. Minis are $5 a point.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he said mini. The Dow got lower margin than NQ. That makes sense because NQ's $20 a point. So if the Dow is $5 a point, you would need less margin. So that makes sense. But actually, I think yes. Per minute. Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, that sounds like ES. I think ES and the Dow are like the same.
Yo, this is beautiful.
ES is $40 though.
This is why I'm glad I learned structure first. And now I'm looking at other instruments to fit the way that I trade. And boy, have I just been, my mind has just been just watching how slow the Dow moves. It's such a relief from watching NQ. I'm not gonna lie. All right, let me see how this moves. Let me take a long up here. 2 minis. Bro, it didn't pull back at all, like at all. Exactly. Yeah. Hey, does your Jay, when you paper trade now, when you go stop loss and take profit, Does it not show how much your stop loss and take profit is worth anymore? Mine doesn't show it anymore. It just says the words take profit and stop loss now. Unless I change something in my settings that I don't know about.
Nah, you changed something because mine still works just fine. I still see what I'm risking.
Okay, let me see. Position, profit and loss, reverse button, orders, bracket, profit and loss. Oh, I accidentally clicked off bracket, profit and loss. Okay. I was wondering because I was doing it when I was paper trading crypto. Okay, so it's $5 per point on 2 minis. $400 risk is 391 is my entry. What? I'm risking 50 points right here. Wait a minute, 59, 69, 79, 89. I'm risking 42 points. Oh yeah, that makes sense. 42 points is $420. Oh man, I might have found 2 new babies. Look at this thing. I'm long YM. Gone. I'm not long in real life. I'm paper trading it just to see how it moves. Just FYI. 153 people watching over on X. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. Again, if you haven't subbed to the channel, make sure you mosey on over to the YouTube channel and drop us a sub. If you like the channel, drop us a like, aka tip the barbers, ladies and gentlemen. And Dow got lower margin than NQ. Okay. Yeah, I mean, God, yo, the VIX is straight blushing.
Yeah,
this is crazy. Yeah, what does somebody know? Somebody knows something. This thing is about to go nuclear. Because I mean, Microsoft has lost its damn mind today. Nvidia's just kind of consolidating. Meta dumped, but now bouncing. And Google's just kind of trading sideways after that ridiculous week it had. Google probably made all the gains for the week. It's probably not going to move again until next week.
Oh, you're right. Microsoft did rip. Yeah, Microsoft and Apple look exactly, well, not exactly the same, but pretty close to being the same right now.
Yeah, pretty much. I want shorts, man. I don't want this price action is so slow. For NQ, this thing is slow. Like ES is moving super slow too, but goodness.
Yeah, this is the third tap of this area.
Woo. Feels like it's a consolatory day in preparation for FOMC tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it feels like. Save your accounts, baby. Man the whatever. You guys know what I'm saying. Hold. Don't go into the barbecue. Don't go into the smoker. Hold. I'm gonna go set up for another trade on CL. I don't like the price action on I'm not liking the price action on NQ. It's too slow. It's not really moving. So I'm going to go over here to CL and see if I can find something. It's about, we're pulling into 11:30 and we're putting in a double bottom on the 5 here. So I want to see what we do. My man said wait till 11:30. I'm going to wait till 11:30. 12 more minutes and we're holding this low very, very nicely. And NQ looks like it's ready to come on down. If NQ comes down, then I'm about to long oil here in a second.
So does ES. ES is starting to pick up a little bit in volatility.
Mm-hmm. I just want the VIX. Yeah,
I know.
I just need the VIX to wake the F up because I don't know what the heck it's been on today.
Well, the stocks are also pumping. So
also true.
It's just kind of hard when the rest of the stock market is kind of still moving up.
Yeah, big facts. Let me check the 1 hour. Yeah, I'd love to see price come back to this 1 hour. That would be beautiful. Textbook long status. All right, on CL, I'm watching for a price to get back into 82.15 to potentially long it. But if we can hold this area on the 1 hour, I'm going to be looking to get long right here because it looks like on the 1 hour, we're retapping 50% of that previous 1 hour candle. So if you're looking to trade oil and rock with your boy, I'm definitely looking for longs on oil because I think it's about time. I just want the stock market to sell off and the VIX to pump. that would be ideal for my trade. But
it's about to go down. Let's mark it right now.
I would, however, like to see the book on oil. Honestly, like I think I would be more comfortable if I saw the order flow behind the scenes.
You could always go on YouTube. There's a guy who streams.
I'm not going to be watching YouTube while being on YouTube while trading oil and narrating NQ. That's not going to happen.
I mean, I'm just saying. I mean, if you already look at the book on NQ, it's the same thing. It's not like he's talking. He just literally plays Bookmap.
No, I know, but I got too many other things going on to be. I mean, where am I going to watch him at? You know what I mean? Like,
where you normally watch Bookmap?
No, but then what if I'm trading? If I'm narrating NQ and the Discord is watching, you already know what I'm doing. Like it's everybody's using my shit and I'm narrating the show.
Yeah, but you can still show your Bookmap and still have the YouTube for that Bookmap up if you're going to trade oil and be paying attention to that.
So your suggestion is that while on my YouTube channel, I open up somebody else's YouTube channel to watch Bookmap while trying to host my YouTube channel.
If you're going to trade oil and you want to watch oil Bookmap, then yes. Because what's the difference if you're going to be watching oil Bookmap? If you paid for oil Bookmap, you would still be watching oil Bookmap, and you could still play the Bookmap for NQ on the Discord.
The difference is that if I paid for oil Bookmap, I would have 2 tabs, so I could just transfer a tab and watch it on a different screen, not watching a YouTube channel. So if I split, just like I can split NQ and ES, right? If I paid for oil, then I could just split it and just bring oil to a different screen. That's all. That would be the biggest difference for me. All right. Dang it. Did I miss my entry talking to you? Every time I talk to you. You know what? Man, I think oil's about to go, man. The VIX is coming back up to 15. This is the decision that I usually make with the book. You know, that last decision where it's like, am I going to get in or am I going to let it ride? All right, I'm going to get in. I like it.
Yeah.
You got to get above that 666. It's just not, that's not good. That's not a good look for the day. All right, this is looking good. There we go, oil. Go, girl. Market dump, oil go up.
Let's check. All right, the VIX getting a little bit of a bounce. The market's still like flat line though.
Yeah, NQ is like literally not moving at all. This is boring, boring. Oil trades up though. This is like watching paint dry. I got a late entry on oil, so I'm gonna go to break even early in case we reject this high right here. But we're looking good. I probably should have got it down at the 50s, but I got a late entry down at 68. So I'm gonna lock in $100 right there, just because I need to get out of this 666 level. Look, scout. All right, out for $100 on oil. Thank you, oil. It's trash, bro. Okay, new P&L is 760.88 on oil. I took it for a quick scout. This thing is easy to scalp. Easy. Yes. I just took it for a quick $100. I was like, all right, I know this thing's about to pump. Bro, two minis? 2 minis on this thing? Easy. $200 a trade. Once it starts going, it's going. It's about to push though. I probably should have held, but I didn't like my entry, so I'd rather just take the $100 and then just wait for a better entry.
Oh, man, this market has been on one today.
No, it's FOMC, bro. I'm telling y'all what's wrong. Like the market. Yeah, again, because it's the structure is fine. It all follows structure, but yeah, but I was like, but the thing is once you understand structure, it's like, why the hell do I want to trade NQ every day when I could just wait for like the big days? Like, you know how, like I used to not trade Mondays, so instead of trading NQ on Monday, I'll just trade oil on Monday, right? And I'll trade NQ on the bigger news days where I know the volatility is going to be there, right? When the volatility is not there, I'll just go trade something else. Like I'll just trade VIX or whatever. Like tomorrow, I still might not trade NQ. I'll probably still go trade oil. It's crude oil inventories. I might trade oil tonight, matter of fact, right? But it's crude oil inventories tomorrow, and NQ still has FOMC. So the uncertainty of FOMC is going to make NQ lag. So I'm almost to the point where if NQ doesn't have red folder news, I'd rather just wait till that Thursday or Friday to trade it, right? Because it just, or trade it during the London session if I can wake up. Because the London session is much less irky jerky. Like this New York session, trash, bro. Like this session has been absolute trash for both NQ and ES. Look at this thing compared to what the London session did. Like, are you kidding me? Like rally, dump, London, Tokyo. We get to New York, flat. Nobody wants to buy in New York right now. They don't want to do anything in New York because they're positioning themselves in London and Tokyo right now for FOMC, whatever that is. I mean, they're buying. Don't get it twisted. I'm just saying, like, the volatility isn't there. So, what's that, sir? Yeah. Oh, down here at the lows? Yeah. All that selling. Yep. I told you that. Remember when you were in? Remember what I told you yesterday? Justin taught me that, bro. Justin taught me that, man. Like, because I used to look at that as like, yep, they're killing them. Justin taught me that about the book, bro. He was like, bro, you're looking at it. Because I used to look at it opposite too. Shout out to him because he told me. I used to look at the book opposite. I'd be like, man, all of this selling, this thing's about to dump. He'd be like, no, that's exactly what you want to see at the low is all of that selling. That means if price isn't moving down, there's a buyer absorbing all of that selling, and he's about to send the market. Once he taught me that, bro, I was like, oh, sauce. And then now you see it followed up like, look at this, 173 orders. Hey, bro, they're trying to send this thing. But this could be a liquidity sweep to the other way. Yes, sir. I took it for a quick scalp, sir, on the long for $100 because I didn't like where my P&L was. It was at like 666 something. So I was like, let me jump in and get a quick. Yeah, it was, bro. My P&L was 666.96. Yeah. My P&L was 666.96. I said, oh no, we have to take another trade right now. right now. Exactly. So now my P&L is 760.88. Random numbers. I was like, yo, what is this? No, sir. We're about to take a trade and win right now. Scalped it for $100, and now it's coming back down potentially for that 1130 short. So let's see.
We're putting in that head and shoulders on.
You like that head and shoulders too, Jay? Yeah, I see that too. I didn't trade it at the high right there because I was.
I know I missed it too. I went over and looked because I was looking at ES. I was like, oh, here it goes. Yep. Like, yeah, I'll take it if we come back up, but I'm not.
Classic head and shoulders. Yes, sir. Are we discussing NQ or oil? Just out of curiosity. Yeah. No, we are. I just wanted to make sure that you were because oil NQ is consolidating too. That's why I was like, okay, let me make sure because oil is actually coming down right now. Okay. Mm-hmm. Facts. Facts. Nah. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yes, because that would be a hold of the low and a break of the new high. Basically we're double bottoming or triple bottoming down here. And this is basically your trade. If this plays out, it's the same trade you took last night. We took on NQ last night. So we had the, yep. Yeah. I'm watching to see what we do here. I just like it the opposite. I like what I'm seeing in the opposite direction. But like you said, as long as that low doesn't break at 82.24, I think we're consolidating to go higher. Because we had our opportunity to take the low and we didn't. Damn, NQ? Shit.
Ooh, yes.
NQ. All of this fine. Bro, NQ, don't worry about it. Nobody tell him what NQ's doing. It doesn't matter. Yo, as you was talking, I looked to the left. I said, God damn, NQ. But he had his, and don't let him shake you. No.
Don't say you guys. It wasn't me. I didn't say nothing.
First of all, I'm the one that told him I said, what did I say? You see what I'm saying? You see how they try to discredit me, bro? What did I say to you about this? I said, I think your longs are good, just not above 200. What have I been saying all day? I said 200. And that's what I said. That's why I said bullish. You should be bullish down there. I'm just not getting in because I'm too late. That's what I said. The double bottom is where I wanted to go in. Woo, CL. 11:30 longs, baby. Let's go. Hey, I'm already in, baby. Let's go. Right on time. Let's go. That was freaking money, bro. Good call. Good call. You shut up and stay over there on NQ. Shut up there and stay over NQ. I don't want, look, I'm not sharing oil, baby. I'm not sharing oil, man. Y'all stay over there on NQ. No. She's fine. All fine. Why you created a monster, man. Why this is 4 for 4 on oil, bro. Like, are you kidding me? Yo. Oh my God, let's go send it. Let's send it. Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Oh, he wasn't talking to me. All right, we up another 400 on oil. Let's go. Lock it in 300 right there. Let's go, oil. Let's go. Up another 400 on oil. I'm dog walking oil today. I am dog walking oil today, baby. Lock it in. Bro, are you looking at the chat? Look at the Stock VC chat, bro. I'm dog walking oil today. Look at this. Oh my God, this thing is sending. Let's go, oil. Lock it in 400 right there. All right, locked it in. Let's see if we can get to my target. My target's 8307. This thing is taking. Off. Let's go, Oyo! Meanwhile, you've been in the NQ train begging. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, I'm all out. I'm all out. I'm all out for another 400. Yo, oil. Yo, why did you create this monster, Pip? Pip, you should have never told me about oil, bro. 40 cents is way too easy to get. Way too easy to get on you. Bro, it's over with. It's over with. And it doesn't bounce like the trampoline that the NQ gives, right? Like it's just clean. Like I said, it's like trading. Oh, here comes 160. It's like trading ES, but with the speed of NQ. Because ES moves really smooth like that too, but it's just too slow for me. What is this? 4 for 4 on oil? Are the times about the same for the Tokyo and London sessions though, as far as like the volatility? Yeah. 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 Jeez. Yo, NQ is up to 167. All right, I'm done, man. I'm up 11. It took us forever to get up here, but we up here. I'm done trading though. I don't need to trade anymore, man. I'm up significantly on damn near everything I touched today. So I'm gonna walk away while I'm ahead. Put the cars down. Let them sit where they may. But if this NQ short comes up though, yeah, I'm up 1150 on this Top Step X account. And nice. I traded the bigger accounts last night, so I don't know. I could go and trade fund it, but again, just adding more to the arsenal, man. More to the arsenal. Thank you, Pippi. Thank you. CL was a monster. I think we're going to that 83 level though, but we keep tapping the high of this consolidation. Yeah, definitely paper traded or something, right? Like Trista knows me and Justin knows me. How long have I been talking about trading oil, y'all? Like almost a year. Like I've literally been talking about trading oil for like over a year. I said at some point oil is going to be in my repertoire, and now it doesn't scare me at all because I understand the structure of it. I knew. Oh, we about to. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold the fuck. This NQ better not be dropping right at 167.50. It better not be. Huh. What I tell y'all better be out when you come up to this 167. Yo, what I tell y'all. I told you. Oh, 169. You right. My bad. I told you. I said this mofo chopping his way up here. But let me see you get above this 1 hour supply zone. That's what I want to see. You can't get up here. You're coming back down, and it's coming down aggressively. Justin, you setting it up? You ready to knock him down?
What? I'm not. Nah, I have not found one setup that I like today, unfortunately. I see that 1 hour supply that you had though, but I wasn't paying attention to NQ. So yeah, and there's nothing. That's
why you ain't finding a setup.
Nah, we were in between supply and demand on ES. I was looking to short. Actually, we are in 1 hour supply right here, but I was looking to short at this trend line. So
y'all in the same supply zone.
Yeah, but we dug very deep into it though, very deep into it.
Yeah, y'all like 90% through it right now, but EQ
90, 99%.
Yeah, y'all like 99.57%. The VIX is saying, move out the way. I hope you're not holding your longs no more.
Nah,
that's what the VIX is saying.
The VIX is saying I want to continue to dump. That's what the VIX is saying. The VIX is coming down.
Oh, you not out yet? You ain't get out at 169? I bet.
I don't think this is done. I think Valdez might be all right with the way that the VIX is not selling down, or it's not pumping.
We ain't going nowhere. We ain't. No, I know. Your entry's so killer. I would need to see, for me to get out, I would need to see a break of structure and a retest for me to get out if I were you. Yeah, really nice, man. Ooh, let's eat, baby. Let's eat. Yeah, that's it. No more, no less.
Yeah, that NQ trade. I just realized I went back and looked, and we double topped right at the previous day, or we triple topped right at previous day high. That was previous day high that we were holding right there.
What previous day high?
On oil?
Oh, okay. I was like, I thought you said NQ trade. Okay.
No, oil. On oil. That was previous day
high. Did we get above it? No, we almost above it now, huh?
No. We got above it on oil. We got above the previous day high, and then we tapped it 3 times on that. So we just supported that previous day high really nicely.
Yeah, I'm gonna chart it tonight for sure. I have been charting it for a little bit, but I stopped because I wasn't trading it. But with the way both of the instruments are moving, like I'm just gonna start charting a little bit more. Just like have a section just for futures that I'm watching, because I'll just trade the 5-minute setups on whatever one comes up, right? Like if we're at higher time frame demand, I'll trade that. But if I see a setup on the 5-minute, that's how I got in on the longs on the CL. I saw the 5-minute setup and I was like, oh, okay, because we came down. That's why I set the alert at 82.25. I was like, I want to get alerted if we come in at 82.25. We tapped 82.25. I got alerted. I just came over here and put a long in, and that shit ripped. So, and then you see we came back down. This is why I love oil so much, because it fits structure. If you're watching the 5-minute, look at the previous high, previous low at 82.63 and 82.24. And all we did is tap into that structure, and now we're pushing into 83. And I'm probably going to get my profit target from earlier, but I don't care. Like, I'll make some more money tomorrow. But yeah, oil's definitely moving well with structure. And yeah, shout out to Pip, because he recognized the way that I trade. Like I want structure to work every time, and you can't get that with NQ, right? Like it'll dig 90%, 100%, sweep the low, sweep the high. It's like, just follow structure, right? That's all I'm asking you to do. Just follow structure. And in ECL just appears to follow structure much better. Look at this thing. About to push into that 83. 83.36, Pip. Here it comes. I'm out of it, but 83.36. Scalping for $400 a trade is plenty for this account. Plenty. A $400 day on this account is a good day. But scalping for $400? Oh, I'm gonna scalp my way right to a payout. Let's go. Ooh, 83. There it is. Here comes 36 cents, which means my target was spot on. Okay. Oil, I see you. Sorry. Oh, the Dow is angry. I'm out. See y'all tomorrow. All right, custom barbecue. Smoke you later.
What? Oh my god.
That was funny. That was clever, man.
No, that was something. I don't know about clever though.
Turn to Forex. Boy, I don't know if I ever want to do Forex because I don't like the payment. I like my money. I don't want to be paid in crypto.
I think you can get paid in more than crypto over there, right?
Now you gotta get paid in crypto and cash out. Screw that. I know how crypto works, and I know how them gas fees be hitting on ETH. I think they pay you in BTC, but I'm out. See y'all tomorrow. Dow is angry. Yeah, Dow has just been moving straight up, bro. Straight up.
That was another one of his corny jokes, Void.
Look at this. I took this paper trade on the Dow. I forgot I took the paper trade. Look at this thing. Damn near to my profit target. Look at that. First trade on Dow, baby. Let's go. First trade on Dow. Oh, it's about to come back on me, though. You know what? We're going to let it ride, though. We don't paper trade. We're going to deleverage, though. Man. Bro, come on, man. Let's get this money, bro. Let's get this money, Valdez. Woo, look at oil, 83.09. I'm holding tomorrow. I'm holding tomorrow, Pip. I'm not letting it go. I'm holding tomorw. Yeah. Today I was testing it out. Tomorrow, I'm holding. I really hope Ivan hasn't been short in oil all day. I really hope he got on a long train.
I mean, he could have scalped it.
Short?
Yeah, he could have scalped.
But Ivan don't scalp.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he ain't no scalper. He don't be scalping. That ain't Ivan. Yeah, if he's short, he getting short.
If you won't go scalp the shorts, then
it's smoke. Barbecue chicken.
It was not a good day.
Man, Valdez, this freaking VIX is freaking flushing, but the market, I think the volatility is just so low. This is crazy, man. Meanwhile, oil is sending. Who rocking with oil with me from now on, man? Where my oil gang at?
No,
where my oil? I'm gonna call myself the oil king in the shop.
The oil king? Oh, good
the
Lord.
Oil king.
This market is going nuts, though. And where's is this the?
If you guys been in the shop, I told you the red box was key on NQ. For me, the red box was key. I didn't take it because I've literally gone like 4 for 4, 5 for 5 on oil. Like I had no desire to trade NQ once I found my baby.
We gotta bounce, right? Like if we get below here, at least with BJ, there's nothing left. There's nothing left for the
oil?
No.
The VIX. Oh no, we're gonna bounce. We do the same thing, bro. Like this is like a repeat cycle. They run it down super low, and then they run it back up really, really fast. It's gonna dump. I don't know when, but yeah, there's no way they're gonna let the VIX, because I think the lowest they let it go is like 13, 12. I don't think we're gonna go that low. Not with FOMC tomorrow. This thing is gonna spike up at the end of the day. Spike.
If you take B adjacent off, we got as low as it's like almost 12.
It's crazy.
It's like the lowest we ever been. And
that is give me my money. Come on, liquidity sweep. If we get one more sweep of the high, Valdez, I think you should be good. What's your target? 180? Or did you walk away? I think you walked away. You might have walked away. Ooh. Where's oil? Oil's cooling back down. Oh, this might be a liquidity sweep on oil. I like this. This a reversal? Man, NQ's been boring today. Boring as hell.
So is ES. We just been moving up. Like
I got paid with cash. Oh, okay. So I thought you could only get paid with crypto.
I was pretty sure you can get paid out with normal cash on this. I don't
know. Pip, you in here? Or Michelle? Do you guys get payouts on Forex? I thought you had to get paid in crypto. I was turning into the villain. Yeah. This market, bro, I'm 100% a villain. I want my bread. I want my paper. Lower day, lower week, baby. Let's get it. You already know what time it is. What's happening, Bravo? Mr. Jones. Mike Jones. Who? Mike Jones. All right. Here comes the next push, the next swing up, Valdez. Let's see if we can get it. Still no aggressive selling has hit this tape at all. So, there's right when I said that, there goes an aggressive seller.
Ooh, these buyers.
There's an aggressive buyer. Whoa. Banking. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. 172 people on the Twitter channel. Let's go, X. 24 watching. Total 200 between the two of us, bro. 200 people watching us on X. Let's get it.
Yeah, no,
X low key. X be going crazy, bro. Let's get it.
This price action on the ES and NQ was so garbage.
Yeah, it's
so
trash.
garbage.
It's trash. Dow Jones. Let me check my YM trade. Woo! About to hit profit target. YM, baby.
YMCMB.
YMCMB, baby. Young money, baby. Young money. Oh, man. I done found some new gems, y'all. I just realized I don't have to put up with the stress of NQ. My life just got a whole lot better. Look, I'm going to tell y'all right now, if this was my real account, there's no way I'm letting that $400 go, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and do y'all like I do my real account. Boom. Locking in 400. If I give back anything else after that, especially when it's like my first trade of the day, I don't be playing that long hold stuff unless I'm in a larger account, right? If I'm in a larger account, I'll hold longer because I don't really care about the smaller numbers. When I'm in my like 50K and below, nah, you give me 400, that's a whole day of trading right there. I don't need to do anything else if I make $400. Nothing. If I make $200, I'm happy. Boom, target hit, done, moving on, right? The one thing that I told myself is greed can actually destroy my trading, right? So what I'm telling myself now is if I want to make 2,000, 5,000, I could do that, but lock in what I see first and then start building that cushion. Just like with CL, I didn't take any NQ trades on my Top Step X account, none. I started with one mini, I made $200. I doubled up, right? It's just like the dope game, right? If I would have lost that second trade, guess what? I would have sized back down to one mini or even 5 micros. But I doubled up, right? I took the 200, I doubled up to 2 minis. I made 400, and then I stayed at 2 minis and made another 400. Like, it was like bang, 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 you know? And then I think I took one more trade. Oh, the Scout for 100. So, dang, here comes the selling.
Nothing. We ain't missed nothing. We ain't move. Well, I don't know about NQ.
Bro, we put a lower high in. We did move. It's slow, but we came up at that 169 and I don't like that either. I know the VIX is bro. Yeah, this ain't good. I told you to be out at 167. You didn't want to listen, so you know what? You meet your fate. I was like, oh, okay, if you're gonna be out at 167, you good. But you know. Yeah, so you good. There ain't nothing to worry about. Just $500. Look, just $500 you about to throw in the fucking dumpster. You know what I mean? Like what, you know, like what's $500? Like, who cares? You know, it's just 500. Look, my only goal today was to start working. Ooh, I told you. I'm gonna refer all of you back to the pre-market plan. I'm gonna refer all of you back to the pre-market plan after this day is over. Everybody. Yeah, it was a wrap. Like once I killed Tokyo, I was like, I don't even know why I'm here. I was like, you know what? Since I'm here, I'll trade these Top Step X accounts. I only traded one. I didn't even mirror them. I should have. I only traded one, and I'm like, oh, okay, this thing's almost funded. All right, I'll get it funded, add it to the group. You know, every 5 days. The good thing
about Top Step X is you can
$100.
You can easily mirror them. It's one of the easiest things ever to mirror the Top Step X account.
Bro, we've been killing them. No. You ain't hear me. Me and Justin been doing some crazy stuff in 5 minis, 10 minis. Oh, that one's blown. That one's blown. But
I think I have all mine back now. Actually, I got all mine back.
I get all mine back at the end of the month. I'll have all 5, but Bro, silly nonsense, bro. We were just literally excited at the fact that next month we just got to pay $4.50 and get them back. But I think this month I'm gonna take it seriously and actually fund one. I told you to be out at 167. Did I not? You hard headed. You know, hard head. You know what? I didn't tell you anything because yesterday when I told you, I felt bad. But this time I told you a long time ago. Hey, we're probably going to stay range bound between these supply and demand zones. So if you're going to do anything, probably get out up at 167. What we do, tap 169. Called it, baby. Mic drop. Let's go. Let's go. Pre-market plan for the win, baby.
Oh, wait, I didn't.
All right, now we're about to come down and try to break through this structure at the lows, guys. Again, if you in the shop, man, like show some love, man. Like, again, I didn't trade this stuff at the lows, but I understood that it could happen, right? I understood the. I ain't know you crazy, boy. You crazy? You think I'm about to get into this? No, sir. It could tap though. I mean, it looks good. It's still holding structure. Right? Like it could still. It's reverse. It reverse. Okay, yeah. Well, on the 1 minute, we switched order flow to the downside, but we're not coming down aggressively. But we also didn't come up here aggressively. Yep. Remember what I told you is pay attention to the way that we go up and we come down, right? Like when we come down in these little wedge patterns, I usually don't get as worried. I'm just not a fan of giving back that kind of profit, right? Like if I'm up, you know, my goal is to make 2K and I make it to like, what were you at, like 17? That is? Oh. Like last night, my goal was to make about 3K. But when I saw the struggle at the high, I was like, okay, I'm locking in 2,000. And then I'll give back 500 because I'm already up 2,000. As we started to struggle again, I locked in 23. I'm like, I'm not giving this back. Why? Like, again, bro, you're a good trader. Right? You're a great trader, but you don't need to be giving back that kind of profit. Like, take that bread. That's an extra. That's if you take the 17 and it goes to $2,000, you're gonna be like, okay, I missed out on 300. You can't make $300 tomorrow. Oh, okay. All right. You know what? Let me find this let me find the Valdez meter here. Let me find the Valdez meter. Hold on. Let me see. I think I found the Valdez meter. Here we go.
The Valdez meter?
Yeah, it's let me check the fear and greed index of Valdez. Let me double check. See where it is right here. Investor sentiment. Let me see. Where are we? Oh, yep. 75 greed. You're almost there, buddy. You're almost there. You're right at where you need to be, Valdez. Damn near at extreme greed. You're almost there, man. You're almost there. You're warming up, buddy. You're warming up. I'm gonna shut up. I'm just gonna shut up and wait. That's all I'm gonna do. And wait, I'm just gonna shut up. Let me be quiet. Let's check the tilt. 57% of people on Top Step think we're going short right now. And shit. What is this guy doing? Is he trying to get filled? What is he trying to do?
He says what guy is what guy doing what?
I'm watching a tape on NQ. Don't worry, ES Trader.
Void says, what's the minimum wage in your state? Because I'm not in the US. I don't know. I think it's like 20
minimum wage
or 15. I don't know. $15 an hour.
I don't know. Bro, I haven't worked for minimum wage. I don't know. Here they come, Valdez. Told you to hold, bro.
Oh Lord, this guy.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I haven't entertained minimum wage. I don't know. Maybe 15?
Yeah, I think it's like 15.
I have to Google it. Minimum wage in Kansas. Let's see.
Oh, it's $12 an hour here. It's gonna go up to $15 in 2026. It's 12. But I think most people are getting way more than minimum wage at this point, honestly.
Yeah, because of COVID. Oh my God, the minimum wage in Kansas is $7.25.
Wow,
It's freaking highway robbery.
that's trash.
But I mean, the cost of living here is much lower than Florida.
Yeah.
$500 is a yearly salary in my country, and you making it a day. Let's go. Oh snap, boy! Dang,
Jesus.
where you live?
$500 is a yearly wage. But how long? But I mean, $500 got to go a long way in your country.
Man, yeah, I could probably get a freaking. I come there. I need to have rose petals on my feet. Rose petals on the street when I walk.
That's nuts. 1045 in Ohio.
Okay. He says if you trade a Wanda, you can get paid in cash for Forex.
Yeah. Is a Wanda a prop
It's just
firm?
another. No, it's
Or is that a?
You know how we trade the New York Stock Exchange?
Yeah.
It's another platform or whatever. I don't know what to say. Market or exchange. I don't know.
Yeah. No, I've seen a Wanda before. Now that you mention it, yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Oh, 1045 in Algeria, where oil is cheaper
broker.
than water. Oil is cheaper than water.
That's nuts. That's
crazy.
But I mean, no one probably can afford a car to use oil anyway. If you're making $500 a year, well, maybe you can. I don't know.
You know what, Valdez?
I mean,
no, you're good. You're good. You're good. That was, bro. I decided to let you off the hook and send the market. I said, you know what? Let me help my brother out. Let me go ahead and send this real quick. I made a phone call for you, brother. Don't trip. Doom, 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 doom. More buying. Boop, 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 boop. 230 people in the shop watching between YouTube and X. Thank you so much for stopping by the shop. We appreciate each and every one of you guys for stopping by. Please, if you haven't gone over to the YouTube channel, make sure you go and subscribe. We only need 50 subs. We're 50 subs away from 1,000 people, 1,000 subscribers. If you are using Apex, if you want to support the channel, Justin's link to his Apex discount code is in all of the videos on the channel. My link scrolls across the bottom. If you're interested in rocking with us in the Discord is $15 per week, or it's $40 per month. We do market reviews. We go over how to read the tape. We give VCs every single day, sometimes 2-3 times a day, right? And we're giving you all that value wrapped up in $40 a month. So if you're interested in that, or you just want to support the channel, go ahead and drop the link to the Discord is in the description down below. Rocking into 11 o'clock. I'm 4 for 4 on the day, which is a good day. Can't lie. I ain't had a perfect day in a while. This was nice. It felt good. But Jay's flat on the day. Yeah, barbecue chicken.
I'm flat on the only account that matters. Not funded.
Oh, you've been trading back there or what?
Nah, well, I mean, I'm in that oil short currently, seeing if the market actually wants to dump here back down to 82. But other than that, yeah, my funded. I wanted to trade my funded today, but there's just no clean setups for me to really trade.
The look on your face was, I'm flat on the only account that matters.
Yeah, I'm flat on the only account that matters.
I was like, that means he's red on the other.
No, I'm not red on any of my accounts. I'm in one oil
I like
short. That's it.
I like the shorts on oil here, but I need to see us break 82.85 first.
Yeah. I mean, I'm short at 94, so if we can get below 85, I'm straight. If not, then I'll probably cut early. If we start to rally, my stop's at the high, but if we start to rally above 83, I'll just get out.
Okay. Yeah, I think this might be a bait. If we can't break that low, we're just gonna be baiting more sellers to run the high up there. So just be careful.
This is also very possible.
But it's all good, man. Like you said, the account that matters is good. And that's all that matters. The broker. Exactly. Thank you, Debbie. That's what I was trying to say. The broker. If you came to Morocco for your vacation, hit me up. Shh.
I feel like, look, let me tell you something. I feel like going out of the country to like, countries like that. I feel like y'all got a whole bunch of stuff that could hurt me, kill me in nature. I don't know if I'm ready for that. Plus, my son got really bad allergies. So taking him to like Morocco or something like that, he barely can survive Kansas. You know what I mean? So I don't know. We'll look into it. I'll definitely hit you up though, boy. You already know, man. I'm glad you're killing it in the markets. You probably living like a king in Morocco though. If you're killing it in the US markets like this, you gotta be living like a king. 500 in 1 year? Man, that's wild.
Yeah, it's crazy to think about. You really don't have to do much in the market. Bro, to make
I would literally go to Morocco and just trade micros. Just one micro a day. That's it.
I mean, yeah.
What do you need anything else for? You can survive on $500 a year annual salary. All right, here come the Bulls about to take over this supply zone and run it, baby. Run it. I do my best, man. Yeah, bro. That's dope, brother. God bless you, man. But anyway. Oh, horns. All right. Hang on. Shout out to my man. You know, I'm a humble guy. I don't mind being humbled. I'm good. You still ain't got above 200, but I still give you your horns. Shout out to my man Valdez for holding through this absolute ridiculous trade. He's held through every pullback on EQ. He's been long since the boom boom box. You've been long since that double bottom down there, yeah? I think he got long back here. Yeah, he got long down since 7-7. So he's trying to hold for a 100-point banger. So shout out to Valdez for holding through every single pullback and letting this thing cook. He is on demon time right now, baby. Let's go. Shop family, stand up. Make sure you take a screenshot, Valdez. Drop it in that. I'll post it on the Twitter page. I already reposted Pip's ridiculous 200 tick gainer today. We coming, baby. We coming. That being said, that's all we got, man. Jay, you got anything to add, brother?
Nah, get ready for FOMC tomorrow, though, because we'll actually have some fireworks, but it'll probably be in the afternoon, though. But still,
low key, we had fireworks today. It was just like the market was on fire, but just like, it was quiet about it. It was like popping fireworks inside of a little box all day. Because low key, all we did was rally all day long. That's it. We ain't come back down at all. So, but thank you guys so much for stopping by the shop, giving us a little bit of your time. We appreciate each and every last one of you guys watching on X, watching on YouTube. Again, if you're watching on X, it's 230 something people in here. Only 30 of y'all is from YouTube. So 200 people watching us on X. If you can hear me, listen to me. Get over to the YouTube channel and get us above 1,000. We just need 50 of y'all to do it. Make it happen. We appreciate y'all, man. That being said, this is the Trader Shop. My name is T. Hobbs. That guy over there is Jay Seals. And we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.